Delivery of judgment, item 55 and 56, WPC 2408 of 2016 with WPC 7173 of 50.
In view of the above, this court is of the opinion that the affected persons, including the members of the committee, petition committee, are entitled to compensation for damages or degradation caused their lands due to pollution arising from open cast mining operations undertaken by the petitioner company. It is therefore directed that petitioner company, that is Northeastern Coalfields Coal India Limited, shall pay a lump sum amount of rupees 1,50,00,000 lakhs as compensation to the affected persons, including members of the petitioner committee, within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. In the result, the writ petition 2408/2016 filed by the Northeastern Coalfields Coal India Limited is dismissed, and the WPC 7173/2015 filed by the petitioner committee is allowed to the above terms.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I will be allowed to move an unlisted matter, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, matter is urgent, lordship.
What
Lordship,
is
presently, lordship, I am working, lordship, as a vice principal of the higher secondary school, lordship. Presently, I am working, lordship, as a vice principal of the higher.
Monday.
Lordship, no, lordship, because my on Monday, lordship, on the Monday, lordship, the present principal will be retired, and junior person who is junior to me, lordship, is going to be appointed, lordship. Otherwise, my lord, my petition will be, lordship.
Going to be appointed.
Lordship, because lordship, I have submitted the representation before the authority, which has not yet been considered and
We
pending.
consider on Monday.
Lordship, at two,
It's a what appointment of what?
lordship, IC principal of the higher secondary
In
school.
charge. It's an in charge only.
Lordship, in addition to my lordship, because lordship, I am the senior most cadre of the
We'll see
lordship.
in Monday. There's no urgency.
Lordship, on
Sorry.
Monday, lordship, if order is passed
So
by
you
the
may
authority,
always challenge
lordship,
that.
then lordship, my prayer will be, lordship.
What is your prayer?
My lord,
You want that we should stay the appointment?
lordship, to direct the authority to consider my
No,
representation, lordship.
We'll direct that Monday. We'll see. It depends.
Lordship.
Sir, you're on your mayor asking will not pass orders. All right. Monday. There's no urgency.
My lord, can it be at
Order has been passed or what?
lordship, not lordship, process is initiated, lordship, and to appointment order will
Let
be,
it be.
will be passed today, lordship, at the, at noon, lordship.
So, we'll see. We'll examine whether the order has been passed legally or illegally. We'll see. Before the order, how can you? What do you challenge? You are not challenge anything. Order is yet to be passed.
My lord, already, lordship, principal and SMDC also submitted their paper before the authority, lordship. But that was not
So,
also considered by the authority.
Decide if they decide in your favor, it's well and good. It is yet to be decided. It is yet to be decided.
Yes, lord.
They'll let them decide. Maybe in your favor. How can you prejudge or predetermine? If you are entitled, you'll be given. If not, come back, we'll see.
My lord, my instruction is a data from the office of the respondent, lordship. Lordship, the person junior to me, lordship, he will get the appointment.
Do you have the appointment order?
No, lordship.
Then? Which order you are, how you are aggrieved? Until the time its appointment is order is issued. Premature. In that case, after 1 week, let the order pass. You challenge that if it's in your against. Not even on Monday.
my lord, my prayer is that, my lord, at least lordship, my lord, the representation submitted by me, lordship, that may be considered by the authority, lordship.
Not like,
Lordship, because lordship, otherwise, the lordship, if lordship, in time, lordship, I have submitted the paper and along with even the
see,
SMDC.
we
and
don't
also
know
the-
whether you have been, your case has been rejected or you are saying that they are supposed to pass some orders. Let them pass. You challenge it if it's in your, if your case has not been considered, then we'll examine. Before any order is passed, how can we?
Yes, lordship, Monday, lordship, applies.
Monday or after 1 week?
Sorry, my
There's
lord.
no urgency. In fact, your writ petition is premature. See, let us see on Monday.
Monday, oblige, lordship.
My lord, these two matters may be listed for admission on Wednesday, my lord.
Why? What's
One
the
is, my lord,
urgency?
urgency, one is, my lord, relates to the fact that the petitioner, action was taken against the petitioner without initiating
Any
departmental
affidavit has
proceedings.
been filed?
Yes, affidavit has been filed. Pleadings are completed.
I
They
think
come
there's
as
no
for
urgency
admission.
after Bihu.
After.
After Bihu.
And another is compassionate appointment. Here only notice
After
was issued
Bihu.
in December, man.
After Bihu.
May I please, Your Honor? With the concern of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 13 to 15, my lord.
Madam, you put your date of this thing. Not only even after Bihu.
Yes.
In mention memo, you give the date, 23, 24, whatever.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 13 to 15, my lord, with the concern of the other side. But can it be around 20th of, my lord, after Bihu, my lord, 20th of April?
32?
13 to 15, my lord.
What is this?
Admission matter, my lord. Can be on 20th of April, my lord.
What is the matter?
Well, it's because there are three matters, in fact, one is suspension, other, my lord, removal from some, my lord, administrative post. And third, my lord, there is a show cause notice where I have asked for some documents. Those documents have been denied, my lord. So it will take some hearing, my lord. So, my lord,
Pleadings are complete.
buildings are almost complete.
What do you mean almost?
Pardon, my lord?
Either it's complete or it's not complete.
Complete.
Huh?
Complete, my lord.
Or Mr. M. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petition, who submits that. No, on the prayer of Mr. M. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioners. The petitioner. One petitioner, right?
One petition, my lord.
Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. MS. You put the Learned Standing Council, Assam University is present. Huh?
But can you be 20th of April, my lord?
Huh?
20th, 20 April.
So
Then the-
28th of April if possible.
28.
28.
28.
20th April. Oblige.
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 Not 20, 28.
28. Oblige. Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 57 of
Hmm.
supplementary list.
57.
57, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we'd like to withdraw this matter.
Okay. Mr.
US Bora.
Better. Your name is not there.
I am on behalf of Mr. D. Gogoi.
Mr. Bora.
Bora.
What Bora?
US Bora.
US Bora.
US
Learned
Bora.
Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. Just accordingly, writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn. He has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. Therefore, prays for withdrawal of the same. Prayers allowed. Accordingly to instance, closed on withdrawal.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Wise decision.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, item number 40, my lord, 40, my lord. This matter may kindly be adjourned for the day, my lord. Today I have some difficulty, my lord. Can it be fixed next week, my lord?
40.
40, my lord. Contempt matter, my lord.
Listed for orders, we'll see.
No, I have to leave the court, my lord, early, my lord, because of some.
Your petitioner,
Yes, my lord.
AMR Chaudhary.
AHMR Chaudhary, my lord.
On the prayer, Mr. AHMR Chaudhary, Learned Counsel will list this matter after 3 weeks.
The date may be fixed, my lord.
Where you are adjourning it.
No, my lord, because of some personal difficulty, my lord.
Therefore, 4 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord. Obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. If they consider other side, I beg to mention item number 24. Lordship. The arguing counsel, Pirina has some personal difficulties. He has to take his wife for treatment to Chennai.
On the ground that Mr. D.S. Deka, Learned Counsel for the
Yes, the your lordship.
Okay,
The
who
respondent,
is
respondent,
Pidinaya?
Pirina, your lordship.
On the ground that Mr. Pidinaya, then standing counsel, Cotton University. Some medical emergency. That, Mr.
SRN আছে.
Learned counsel appearing on this press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks, prayer not being expired, objected to by Mr. D.S. Deka, Land Council, for let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes. Your Lordship, I pray for a date, your Lordship, after Bihu, your Lordship, on 24th of April, your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
On
Obliged.
3 weeks on 23rd, 04. 20. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 44 and 45, Lordship.
Ah,
I am paying for today's accommodation, Lordship, because Lordship, counsel for the petitioner, he is out of station, Lordship. And I have
okay.
taken
On the
counsel for
prayer of
this-
Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so, 44,
and
and-
45, Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner. That this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
See,
My name may be recorded for respondent number 2A, so your lordship.
And then Mr.
Lordship, 3 weeks, after 3 weeks, Lordship.
It's complied with or what? You don't want to? SMT 60 and
This will not say respondent.
and Mr. A.H. Alia, learned are present, huh? For the respondents are present.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing one writ petition in admission column, lordship, for Monday, lordship. Lordship,
After Monday, 6.
lordship, problem is the lordship, in this case, respondent authority issued a superannuation notice that the petitioner retired from his service on 31st/3/2026, lordship. But as per the service book, lordship, he was retired from his service on 30/11/33/2033, lordship. In this regard, lordship, petitioner submitted the representation before the concerned authority, lordship. But they were not taken any step, lordship.
Sir, be happy. Why want to continue 60 years, 62 years? Who would like to continue? Enjoy your evening of your life. After 60, what remains? You don't have the strength, you don't have the thing. All kids are grown up. What you will do after 60? When your evening of life comes, be graciously accept it. It's a natural law. Anyway, Monday.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
May I please
I don't
ask-
understand why people want to work after 60. You should enjoy. Whole life they have enjoyed, work.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33 of daily list. Engaged counsel is out of station due to some medical treatment, Lordship.
On the ground that engaged counsel, Mr. Who is engaged counsel?
P. Talukdar.
Peter Lukdar has some medical problem, MS Embora.
No, Lordship, A. Das.
ADAS learned counsel appearing on his behalf, praise for listing of matter after 3 weeks. Praise and list after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, with the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 30 and 31.
30 and 31, yes. Yes.
Let the matters come after Bihu.
Okay, on the prayer, Mr.
We have of Mr. N. Bora.
S.K. Lahan, on behalf of Mr. N. Bara, learned counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, 4 weeks, make it 4 weeks.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. In this case, we have instruction from our client not to press this matter, lordship. Not to press the matter. We have instruction from our client.
Not to press this petition.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Mr.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would not like to, a petitioner would not like to press this writ petition. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of on not being pressed, on not being pressed.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 48. can this matter be come up after Bihu? We have already given adjournment slips with
48.
consent. 48.
Yes, on the prayer, Mr.
J.A. Sikdar.
Yes, J. S. Sikdar, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A. R. Sikdar, learned counsel for the producer. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
May it please his lordship. I beg to mention item number 54, lordship. The conducting council is out of the station, lordship. May I adjourn the matter for the day, lordship?
54.
54.
It's a hearing,
Yes, lordship. Yes, lordship.
ek lota hearing.
Yes, lordship.
What's the matter?
Appointment, lordship,
Of what?
of lordship, actually, I don't have brief.
Your name is there.
Yes, lordship. Bidas.
You don't have the brief.
No, lordship.
Boros, give the second file. Read it. We'll take it up today.
Lordship, actually, conducting council is out of the station.
Don't worry. You just take. You read it. Well, everyone should be given a chance to argue the matter. Why the seniors alone? There's an advertisement where the guys should all have the fun. So why the seniors should have always have the privilege to argue? You should also be given. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention urgent listing of the writ petition.
New matter.
New method.
New matter.
I'm not sure.
What is the urgency?
Suspension from the service.
Let us see on Monday.
Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, edited.
Write down the date, Monday.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 7 is for order for no step. I have taken step yesterday only, my lord. So it may, in item number 7, my lord, it is for no order no step, my lord. I have taken the step yesterday, my lord. So it may come after, my lord.
Okay, item 7.
My lord.
Okay, had Mr. Jesse Gore,
My lord.
London counsel for the petition submits that he has taken steps
Yes,
yesterday, i.e.
my lord.
26
26.
03/2026 for service of notice upon respondent number 5.
5, my lord.
Respondent in view of above, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
My lord. Oblige.
This difficulty is not like one.
Bring the class.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Talukdar, who is the engaged counsel in this case. He has been appointed as the PP of Jorhat. Therefore, we need another 2 weeks' time to file the additional affidavit.
Why? It said this court would proceed to consider issue arising in the present basing on the materials available if no additional affidavit is filed. So we'll proceed.
Lordship, I am just appearing on his behalf. I am not the counsel in this case.
Lordship, otherwise Lordship will produce already 4-2, Lordship.
How?
4-2. Due to non-enclosure of some documents, Your Lordship, the court have permitted them to file the additional evidence.
Yes. It appears to be a sweeping petition. You're just claiming Megan and aberment, no documents, nothing. You collect the documents and file, press, and withdraw this. Heard Mr.
And Hajarika.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Talukdar submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file a fresh. Mr. N.R. Sarmalan, standing counsel, Gauhati BTC is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty as prayed for. If you get those documents,
Lord,
let us not make it clumsy.
I tell you.
Why? It's second time. Huh?
I have told my friend also.
Monday, my lord.
You're happy?
They requested, my lord.
We'll grant you last chance.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, we'll set aside the suspension. Very simple matter.
Yes, my lord.
If you have reviewed it within time, matter and say we'll
Yes.
dismiss the writ petition, right? If it is not, you'll have to heard Mr. So and so. No. On the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education. Further, Monday?
Yes, my
When?
Monday
Yes.
means Monday. My lord, Friday?
lord.
I'll get it.
I have already.
Is it on the prayer of further 3 days time is granted to obtain instruction as a last chance is directed by this court, is earlier directed by this court, huh? List accordingly on Monday, 30.
Item 3.
Item 3 lawsuit, they were already in protected lawsuit, interim order has been issued. Only notice should go, notice yet to be issued lawsuit. Then notice go lawsuit, indeed will file our affidavit.
Heard, Mr. It's been recorded, facts has been already recorded.
Facts is not proper, not elaborately recorded lawsuit, but it is interim order has been issued.
There was teacher in vacancies for the post to administer have sought to fill up.
In order that 2/3/26, it is recorded lawsuit, 2/3/26.
Heard, Mr.
SK Das.
SK Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Next paragraph. By filing this writ petition, the petitioners
Court.
have put to challenge the notification that is notifications, huh? That is 0510/2023, 1302/2026 and 1602/2026. Where it is? Issued by the,
Respondents.
where it is?
Page 31.
30
Page 31. 31 and 32.
by the Director of Secondary Education, Assam. Thirty, 31. 510.
132.
Whereby,
Our defense is that also the entire vacancy has not been taken into.
just wait. Whereby by which the selection of regular headmaster in provincialized high schools has been initiated, huh?
And also
Christoph.
they have already appointed,
The essentially the petitioner are agreed by the non-filling of 87 vacancies of the post of headmaster in the district of Barpeta. Well, seeking to fill up only 63 posts Mr. It is the contention of the petitioner that they do not have a chance to be promoted to the post of headmaster if the 87 posts are not filled up. If only the, if only the 63 posts out of available 87 posts of headmaster, as they, although they are senior most teachers in the respective schools, and one of the petitioner, namely, and I petition number would be retiring in the month of June 2026 as a graduate teacher. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. SMT Sisti Learned Council, Standing Council Elementary, Secondary Education Department enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies will furnish change. Then we'll see.
That is
Hmm?
order dated 2/3/26, that interim order has been accepted.
Next period. Till the next date. The arrangement of the petitioner. No, the service of petitioner as in charge headmaster of their respective school shall not be disturbed. Huh? Almost same order. Almost. Yeah.
Item 4.
My lord, as per last order, my lord, the Punjab National Bank is to forward the.
Yes.
The data is preserved in Pinnacle system and which is not accessible at this moment. So we need a further 4 weeks time.
You said so earlier. You had already
Because software,
submitted
yes,
that. Then
this software say it is a old system and it is not accessible at this moment.
that same thing you had already submitted.
Yes.
That's why you were granted some time.
That the problem is not resolved.
Then how long it will go on? How long it
Actually,
will go on?
actually, we are not in a position. It all depends on the software engineer. They are doing their job.
Bring the software engineer. What to do?
Let them
These
try,
are
my
all
lord.
small issues.
Another
Of course,
time.
technical, but then
After 2 weeks. my
Because
lord.
the data is
Let
of
them
the
try
year
after
2020 and that system is not.
The first week of.
heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Parvez, learned standing counsel, Punjab National Bank. Well, reiterating his submission made on 12/03/2026 before this court, prays for some more time as the what do you say?
A Pinnacle system is not working.
As the as due to technical issues. The royal statement of the pension by the petitioner could not be obtained. Yes. We have not been objected to by learned counsel for the that this matter be listed after 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
After Bihu, my lord.
After 4 weeks. After 4 weeks. On the next date, the Mr. Parvez shall place the royal statement, a record of the place the royal statement of the pension by the petitioner. And the statement and No, no, to place the instruction as directed by this court on 12/03/2026.
Item 5. May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
Well, the petitioner was appointed by the governing body of the college, my lord, as a lecturer in education, my lord, in 1998, my lord, page 39. It was an appointment with the managing committee, my lord. Then, my lord, page 56, my lord, the government pursuant to a cabinet memorandum took a policy decision, my lord, to regularize these people, my lord, who are working against non-sanctioned posts. Lordship will find it at page 56, my lord. It starts with the, my lord, caption allocation of vacant sanctioned posts of lecturers in departments of deficient grants in college where teachers are working without sanctioned post. Now, my lord, those appointed by the managing committee, my lord, they were supposed to be, my lord, regularized. And my lordship will find page 57. It refers to a cabinet memorandum dated 9/6/2004. Page 57, my lord. Paragraph 4.
Impugn order? Will issue notice?
Yes, my lord.
We'll see.
Now, my lord,
Where's the impugn order?
impugn order, lordship will find, my lord, at page, my lord, 173, my lord.
Rejecting your prayer.
Rejecting my prayer, my lord, on 3 grounds, my lord, which are totally non-tenable and, my lord, without appreciation of the judgment of the division bench, my lord.
This is pursuant to the order of this court.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition today, speaking order dated 13, what? Date of order?
My lord, 13/1/2026, my lord.
13/01/2026, passed by the Commission to the Government of Assam.
Yes, my lord.
Higher
Higher Education Department.
Higher Education Department, whereby the prayer of the petitioner, I heard by the grievance of the petitioner. Has been rejected. Is rejected, huh? Next para. It is the case of the petitioner that it is contended that the petitioner who was appointed as
lecturer in education, madam.
A lecturer in education in the year
1998.
1998 is entitled to be regularized, entitled for regularization of his service as lecturer in terms of the policy decision of the government by an office memorandum dated 17/07/2004. List of so many.
All these grounds are without appreciation of records, madam. All the grounds that have been taken for rejection, madam, are without appreciation of the factual aspects and records, madam.
It is contended that the grounds of the grounds on which the grounds of rejection of the grounds of the petitioner is non-existence. It not what do you call it?
Well, these are without appreciation of the judgment of the full bench judgment of this honorable court, as well as, my lord, the records of the case, madam.
It is contended for that. No, it is contended that the impugn order has been passed without appreciation of the judgment of the full bench of this court in WPC?
In WPC, my lord, 2727/2020, my lord, 2010, my lord.
2727
Yes, my lord.
of 2010
my lord. Decided on 7/2/2012, my lord.
and records, huh? And records. Issue notice.
Well, there is an interim prayer, my lord, page 196.
What interim prayer?
Well, there is one post lying vacant in the college that may be kept vacant, my lord. Because 196 is an embargo imposed by the state themselves, my lord. Till my case was under consideration. That will be continued, my lord. Page 196, Lordship.
My lord, for interim order, I have objection. My lord.
190.
Because if the post is filled up, my lord, then then my case will become infractuous.
196?
196, my lord.
Huh.
At that point of time, the director himself has kept this post vacant, my lord, since my case was pending consideration. Now, my lord, since the case has been dismissed, my lord, by the director or the department, my lord, if the vacancy is filled up, my lord, my entire, my lord, petition will become infructuous. Because these are again adjustment against existing post, my lord. No new post can be created, my lord. That's the difficulty.
As Mr.
It's not been advertised yet, my lord.
Till returnable that, we'll see.
Yes,
interim.
As Mr.
As does, my lord.
As does learned standing council.
My lord,
Higher
I'll be attending
education.
for 1, 3, and 4.
And who else?
For 2.
And PP shall learn. Standing council. Finance. All are represented.
Yeah, the principal, respondent number 5, lord. Oh, notice will. No.
It's a government college and
Specialized.
Provisionalized college.
We don't appear for.
respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4. No formal notice need be served in respect of the above respondents, however, so and so. The copy be furnished, Learned counsel by the petitioner. Shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent 5 by speed post so and so, within 2 working days. Next para. Having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the petitioner. And also considering that considering the judgment of the full court. Dated
Willard, have an exit. Dated Willard 7/2/2012.
7/2/2012 in WPC 2727 2010. And the as well as the office memorandum
17/7/2004.
17/7. Till the returnable then, it is provided that post of assistant professor.
Willard, assistant professor.
Assistant professor in education.
No, this is an economics, man.
Yeah.
This posts are converted, Millard. That's similar.
Now, where are you working?
No, Millard.
You are not working.
I am working in the education department. I'm working.
Then
I'm still serving, Millard. This post is of the this posts are converted where the posts are lying vacant, Millard. These posts are converted, Millard. That's a policy.
No. In that case, which subject you want to be regularized?
Millard, I am to be regularized in education department.
Then
Millard, the posts are converted, whether the posts are lying vacant in the college, these are converted. That's a policy itself, Millard. That is why, Millard, page 196 was issued.
we cannot say. We'll just say they shall not be disturb your service.
No, Millard. My service is continuing. They are not disturbing my service.
Then
there is no impression of that.
Yeah.
But if the post is filled up, what should we kindly see, Millard, the office member once again, Millard. Just one page, Millard. Millard, page, Millard, 57, what should we see? It says, Millard, no new post will be created and they will be adjusted against posts lying vacant in the college. Now, economics post is lying vacant in the college.
No, how can you be appointed regularized in economics?
No, Millard, not regularized in economics. These posts are converted. Lord, should we see one order, Millard? Show one order.
Okay.
My lord, kindly have this order.
Lord,
Petitioner doesn't have case, my lord.
No, my lord.
Petitioner doesn't have case. This is a division bench or division bench judgment, my lord. My lord, kindly have the similar case, my lord. Clearly covered, para 6, 7, and 8, my lord.
That is not covered, my lord. That is factually different, my lord.
The para, more particularly the para 8, 6, 7, 8 will explain, my lord. Para 8 says, my lord.
What was I too? Abdul Rahim. That's a factually different case, my lord. I'll show that, my lord.
Here also, my lord, the petitioner was appointed prior to issuance of this OM, my lord. The court says that once that benefit has been given by virtue of that OM, it cannot be continued further, my lord.
No.
And the name of the petitioner here also was not there in 300 candidate months.
Well, in that case, my lord, the person was, my lord, appointed after the, my lord, cabinet decision was taken. That is the law, my lord. My learned friend, my lord, what am I submitting is not the correct proposition, my lord. That is why the post was kept vacant, my lord.
See, how they will convert the assistant professor economics post to a assistant professor
They've been converted.
education.
Yes, well, they've been
How can
converting.
that be?
Lordship is similar. That's the
No,
law,
no.
my lord. Kindly look.
Till they returnable, that the service of petition shall not be disturbed.
Well, otherwise, if this post is not preserved, my lord, then my entire petition goes, my lord. Lordship will kindly see page 57 once. my lord.
It's subject to whatever.
No, my lord.
If you are entitled to, they'll have to do it.
No, my lord, the difficulty is that, my lord, no new post can be created. That's the office memorandum. The office memorandum says no new post can be created. It can be only against vacant posts
If
lying
they
in the
know,
college.
it's their own office memorandum, they'll abide by that only.
Well, otherwise, my lord, if the post is filled up, my lord, this petition will become infructuous, my lord.
No.
Lordship,
There's
see
no
the office
question,
memorandum.
is infractions.
Lordship may kindly look at the office memorandum. my lord. Page 57 is very clear. It says no new post will be created, existing post will be converted. Lordship, I have also annexed one
In
appointment.
that case, that's right. The interim prayer shall be considered on next return.
That Lordship, that Lordship. Because another person has already been, my lord, adjusted.
Pass a blanket order stopping them not to advertise.
That is the reason why the director himself might have stopped it at that point of time. Now, since the order has been passed against me, therefore I want the protection, madam.
That was not spending, therefore.
Lordship, see, my lord, page 1.
We're considering on next date.
My lord.
You file, bring that.
Totally wrong appreciation of the law, my lord.
Huh?
Totally wrong appreciation of the law, my lord. I'll satisfy Lordship, my lord. Much more.
N6.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Petty case is my lord. The petition number was in one institution, that is Bajali Training, Research Training College. That is got affiliation from the Gauhati University as well as all required institution. But for respondent, it is coming under NCT, National Council for Research Education. Particularly, that NCT had issued public notice for conducting integrated
issue notice.
My lord. Yeah.
Petition, their appeal is pending.
that
Statutory
is right.
appeal is pending.
Yes,
I think they have filed a appeal on, my lord, 17 to 26, my lord, and there is a criteria for the 90 days, my lord, as per rule, my lord. I have with the rule.
Correct. I am not, that
And
is
this
why,
is
my lord.
also director. So I may be allowed to obtain instruction what is the fate
That
of
is
the
why,
appeal.
my lord, my
It may be-
friend, my learned,
There is a-
learned friend has not heard my submission, lordship, because we have filed appeal as per order of this honorable court, but we are keeping 3 reminders. You give the reply. We already appeal is over, but you give me consequence.
They have 90 days time.
No, that's correct.
Yes.
That is why we have, because questioning here coming when before lordship. Because this
You
is
decide why
20
you not
that is
deciding the
April.
appeal.
That is my today notice may go, Miller. Notice go. Then no, notice may go because we are otherwise after 17 90 days is outer limit. But
No, my
it is to be also seen within 90 days. That is also seen. I
Heard
have seen.
Mr. C. Barwa.
Notice
learned
may
counsel
go,
for the
pendency may not be
petitioner.
bar, Miller.
By filing this application, writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to consider granting permission to introduce. Granting permission.
Permission.
Is this permission or what?
Permission. LOI, that is a LOI actually, letter of intent, that is.
Granting permission to introduce 4 years integrated teachers education program within bracket ITP, bracket close BA, within bracket BA, bracket close within bracket secondary course for the session 2026-27 as per NEP is what? 2020. NEP is what?
New education policy.
New Education Policy 2020 by invoking the relaxation power under clause 12 of NCT regulation 2014 as has been done to the similarly situated colleges.
Performance
List of-
responsibility.
It is the case of the petitioner that after rejection of his application, as per the provision, he has filed an appeal before the appropriate authority, which is pending consideration. Next para. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the what? NCT, Standing Council NCT submits that for disposal of appeal, there is a
90 days criteria.
90 days time, as the petitioner has filed the appeal. On when?
My lord,
Filed appeal on 17/2/2026.
17 to 2000. And the period for consideration of three months and 90 days is yet to be expired. The writ petition is premature. Huh? In view of the above, considering above, let Mr. I. Ahmed learn his standing counsel to obtain instruction.
Let it be fixed on next Friday, my lord.
Huh?
Next Friday, my lord.
Why?
well, I have urgency, my lord, if he's,
There is no urgency, my lord. on
because urgency is there.
3rd of April, my lord.
See, Mister, you cannot just, even if 30 days, unless you show reasonable, difficulty to decide the matter, why you should wait for 30 days? 90 days. You decide.
It is, my lord, they have already,
We are expecting
already
that
filed on
on the
17/2, my lord.
with the next day, you will come up with the disposal order of the appeal. All right. List on?
On 3rd of April, my lord.
Huh?
It is,
My lord.
I cannot
Third.
coordinate him.
Third, you have to come to my residence.
It is fine.
Third of April? Third of April is, I think,
No,
holiday, I think.
6th April. 6th April.
May I pray only one line?
What is working Saturday?
My lord. My lord.
Next date of my apply.
What is working Saturday?
नहीं এটা নাই
Saturday working day.
My lord, may I pray that pendency may not be barred to consider or yes. No, that's why this word
My lord.
Court also.
My lord.
We'll see on 6th.
My lord. 6th vote.
my lord.
Listen, item 8.
Further hearing. What is further hearing?
May it pleases your lordship, here your lordship, we needed to file our additional affidavit, but the pages they have sent your lordship from the department, the pages is illegible and the pages of 6 your lordship needed to be translated in English. So your lordship kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file the additional affidavit.
Heard, Mr.
Mr. N. Alam.
N. Alam.
Yes.
Then counsel for the petitioner. Next para. MS P. Das. Learned Standing Counsel. Secondary education. Submits that the additional affidavit directed to be filed by his court could not be filed as certain documents are to be translated.
English, it is all in Assamese and the pages are illegible.
Being in vernacular need to be translated. Therefore, press for some time. Press for 2 weeks time to file the required additional affidavit. List of considering above. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Then 3 weeks. Make it 3 weeks. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks so as to enable Mr. MS Das to file the additional affidavit. List of. This is not part hard. it is made clear that. No, it is the
Yeah, he was.
matter be not treated as part.
I'm deeply
Okay.
obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, actually, we have lost contact with a client.
Huh?
We have lost contact with a client.
So,
The court may give us 2 or 3 weeks to establish contact and take instruction from the client.
what is the matter?
The matter is about state SLET.
Hmm?
State eligibility selection test.
It is submitted by Mr.
H. Palmer.
Learned counsel for the petitioner that he has lost contact with the clients. Therefore, prays for some time to contact the petitioner. Please for prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. Mr.
For response number 3.
Asdeka and RR as well understanding. Your
Slate commission.
huh?
Slate commission.
Standing counsel, slate commissioner, and Mr. S. Buya. Non-standing higher education department are present.
Make your lordship. Oh, my lord.
Mediation failed.
My lord. Yes.
Mediation failed.
Yes, my lord. My lord, in this case, I pray for similar order. Lordship may kindly see. I have annexed with this writ petition.
Listed some other day.
My lord, page 26, annexure 5, my lord. Actually, initially 4 petitioner filed this, my lord, before the honorable court. Already other petitioner, my lord, already.
Mr. G. Uddin.
Yes.
And counsel for the petition. Where is the report of? Where is the mediation report? The matter was referred for mediation, however. The report indicates that the matter could not be settled. Mr. According, list this matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Bless my.
All right.
Mayor to the lordship.
Yes.
There is a connected writ petitioner lordship. These 2 matters supposed to be listed together, but the matter is not listed. WBC number 773 of 2026. So both the matter will be listed together lordship.
What is to be done?
WBC number 773.
On the prayer of Mr. A. Deka and Mr. A.R. Tabildar, as well as Mr.
About PJ Hukuman.
G.A. Standing Gauhati University. A. Deka, A.R. Tabildar, standing counsel, higher and R. Ali appearing on behalf of Mr. and so, that matter may be listed along with WPC
773
of
2026. Filed by the
2022.
petitioner.
Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks along with WPC so and so. 773.
773 of 2020.
3 weeks.
Interim order topic.
Interim order pass the lesson continue.
Oblalo.
May please lordship.
Yes.
Well, similar matter placed before the mediation center. But this matter also may be Place before the mediation center, my lord. Before the mediation,
As
Nandita Bharali made it.
as paid for by the parties, let this matter be listed after a week for referral to mediation. Let it listed for, we'll refer. I mean, this, huh?
A similar matter. Place before this. My lord. My lord. Replay.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship. Last order, my lord, on 9/3, my lord. That's all, right? কি বাবা? সেইটো এই ডাইট কোড নথকাৰ কাৰণে ডাইট কোড নাই বুলি টক কৰিছিল, কিন্তু ডাইট কোড আছে, সব আছে, বাবলা আছে, সেইকাৰণে মাইনত আনিব। বাবলাক মাতিব আছিল। Similar order আছে তো।
Yes. What is the matter?
Matter, my lord, our school, my lord, was dropped from provincialization, my lord. On the ground that there was no dash code in the year 2009 and 10, which was, my lord, absolutely wrong, my lord. The dash data was available in the records, but without considering, my lord, our school was dropped. And on the last occasion, my lord, the Sarvo Shiksha has placed the record, my lord, that there is a dash code. Exactly similar case was, my lord, also disposed of by the same court.
Yes. Your petition, your case was rejected, not rejected, rejected.
Rejected from provincialization on the ground that there was no dash code in the 2010. But
Now
actually,
they have placed the
record, my lord, that there's
record
a dash
showing
code.
that there was a dash code of 2012.
10, my lord,
10.
which was required, my lord. So rejection was, my lord, without.
Yes.
Similar Mozundar order নিচিনা কৰাই dispose of কৰে। কবি আছে না আৰু? এটাতো ইয়াৰ। dispose of কৰে দিলে ৰাখা যায়। Reconsider কৰাৰ কাৰণে। ডক্টৰ ৰাখি দিয়া আছে। আৰু ইয়াতে ৰেকৰ্ড আনি লাভ কি হ'ব? সিদিনাই ডিছপ'জ অফ কৰি দিব পাৰে। অফিচাৰ মাতি কৰিব নহ'লেও কাম কৰিব। Michael.
Yes. Yes, sir.
My lord, I have counted his order, my lord.
Also in the similar line.
Similar, my lord, as per our instruction, my lord, his name was not in the dice codes 2009 and 10, my lord. And SSA affidavit filed that SSA stated that his name was there, my lord. So lordship may.
SSA file.
No, they have, my lord, filed the details, my lord. It was marked as X, my lord, on the last occasion.
No, no, that is record. They have
No.
filed the affidavit
No,
or
no.
what? Huh?
Lordship may dispose of after filing our affidavit, my lord, we have received the instruction as per last order, my lord.
Which one?
As per last order, my lord, the honorable court directed to place minutes of the district scrutiny committee and SLC, my lord, who have received the same, my lord. So we bring on record, my lord.
What is the rejection? Is there any order of rejection?
We have filed, my lord, RTI, and they have given the reason for rejection, page 58, my lord.
Page
58. 59, my lord. Reason for non-recommendation, then A1, non-having dice code of 2009 and 10.
50? Page
59, my lord.
reasons of non-recommendation for Benton Lower Primary School.
Roman 1, my lord,
Not having so and so, huh?
for 2009 and 10.
Names of tutors and teachers are there.
No, this is not our case, my lord.
Ah,
Our case, my lord, Roman 1, my lord.
ah. Response to queries for the non-recommendation provision of services as per the Assam Education Provision. Reasons of neither. For Bencher Primary School, reasons of non-recommendation Bencher Primary School. How do we know that this is rejection in your case?
Our school's name is there, my lord.
Where?
Page 58, continuation, my lord. Serial number 3.
Page 58?
Page 58, my lord. 3 schools are there. Our school, Roman 3, my lord. Boromari Sor Navajoti LP school. Page
Roman 3?
58. Page 58.
There are 4 grounds.
No, tick mark is 1, my lord. 2, Roman 2, serial number 2. Then, my lord, relevant reason for rejection, annexure 1. Then in annexure 1, there are 4 ground, my lord, but tick mark is only Roman 1. This is the ground of rejection.
Yes.
My lord, here also, my lord, in 59, my lord, there is data from the SSA, my lord, which is that no data in 2019. My lord, in my instruction, my lord, I also received that the dice data for the year 2019 is available. Not by this school, my lord. So, lordship, either this was
Who has to provide the dice data?
SSA, my lord.
Then they has produced it. It's there.
As per their affidavit is there, my lord, but as per their document, my lord, this is earlier, my lord, dice data.
Where do you find this? X.
By
Where's your
standing,
school?
by standing council, man.
Huh?
Goremari Sir Navajyoti
Sir Nava Jyoti LP.
Lordship.
Academic year. Sultan Arifa Begum. How many teachers, how many petitioners
Two,
are
my
there?
lord.
Two, my lord, Ziaul Islam and Surya Khatun, my lord.
Huh?
Ziaul Islam,
Petitioners, my lord.
Two petitioners.
my lord.
Huh?
Lordship.
Here are two petitioners. Sultan Arifa Begum and Surya Khatun. Unrecognized bencher. It's shown.
In my record, my lord, though, like the SSA record, my lord.
Huh?
SSA record, my lord. That's why, my lord,
That's why this has been, this was called for and they have placed it. Last order, have you seen it? What does it say?
directed me to.
Mr. Collector, so is granted weeks time to
Okay.
place on the instruction in terms of raised by this. Which ordinance has placed on record there is data of the school in this court has perused the same and finds this names of petitioner included in this data. Then your ground of rejection is there's data only. When it is there, then
9 and 10.
then who maintains this? SSA, not you.
They give us, my lord, the entire,
But they have produced it.
my lord. That was.
Yeah.
So, my lord,
SSA, they have produced, we have directed them to produce. They have produced and it's there. Then who mentions the data? SSA
SSM.
or you?
My lord, data SSA.
Which for SSA?
So, no?
Huh? I don't dispose of container.
Oh,
Itu people
that
consider
is-
ko.
Oh.
Yeah, they were who is it?
Itu lain quickly হয়ে যায়।
What is your stand? Same that their names have not appeared.
My lord. That is our stand, my lord.
Huh?
That is our stand as per my instruction, my lord.
So we'll dispose it of. Right? Heard Mr.
Orally, madam.
R. Learned counsel for the petitioners and also heard Mr.
Standing counsel, elementary.
Learned dissenting counsel,
Elementary education.
elementary education.
1, 2, 3, 4.
For respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4. And who else are there?
Executive.
3 and 4.
Scrutiny committee, who is the scrutiny deputy commissioner?
It is a government, my lord. S4.
And MS. Then it's still for respondent number 5. By filing this writ petition,
No.
the petitioner. No. Agreed by non-provincialization of the service of the petitioner as teacher oblique tutor in Goroi Mari Char Nabajati LP School, Laharigat, in the Morigaon district. In terms of the Assam so and so Act 2017. We'll just give you the act. This present this petition has been filed. That is Assam Education, provincialization, within bracket, provincialization of services of teachers and reorganization of educational institution, bracket, clause Act 2017, huh? List of. Next para. The case of the petitioner. Petitioner is that they were appointed prior to 01. When you were appointed,
Appointed, my lord, 13/6/2023, my lord.
13/6/2023.
Petitioners. It is established. School was established on 1/2/19.
I am asking when you were appointed as
Appointment, my
assistant
lord.
teacher.
13/6/2023.
23.
And no, my lord, 2003.
Huh?
2003.
From where you get it?
The list of date, my lord,
What list of that?
I'm
Forget it. And, delete it. Sorry,
no.
we want to dispose of, but you are not. Not Mr. R. Ali, Land Council for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. Italukdar, Land Council for the petitioner. Land Standing Council.
Elementary.
Elementary, sir. For the 2 weeks time is granted to file appropriate, 3 weeks time to file appropriate affidavit. Bringing on records. No, you have already filed the affidavit. You have not.
My lord.
Who has filed the affidavit?
Sir,
No, they have also not filed.
No.
Nobody has filed.
No, they have filed just for the
what
instruction.
is the instruction, my lord? They have
But the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in office. See, Ali,
No.
you have missed your, chance. Basic thing, you should be with the facts. How do we dispose of the matter? Unless you don't tell us when you are appointed, how you are appointed.
Yes.
3 weeks, we'll take it up. Yes.
The matter, my lord, relating to my lord, joining of the petitioner, my lord. Initially petitioner was appointed as the assistant teacher in 99. And is served up to 2006. And in the year 2006, a show cause notice was issued. And thereafter, petitioner was terminated from service. Thereafter, petitioner challenged that termination order. Lawsuitable point, page 40, is the judgment of this honorable court. Page 40, 41, and 42 is the relevant portion, my lord. The case of the petitioner was allowed with the direction to reinstate the petitioner in service. the termination order was set aside and directed to take consequential steps forthwith by the respondents authority.
Page
Page 43.
40.
43.
Yes.
So, my lord, thereafter, so many applications were filed, but they did not take any steps for allowing the petitioner to join. Lordship will find my application page 48. There is the application to the director of BTC. Now BTC is saying that I am not now under the BTC area. And in the meantime, petition has been transferred in 2000 in Nolbari. And now it is under the director of secondary education Assam, elementary education Assam. So accordingly, elementary education has also filed affidavit saying that they have no any record. From BTC, no record has been placed to them. So that's why they are not allowing me to join. So now the petitioner, before your lordship.
Have you been reinstated?
No, no.
Have you been reinstated?
No, my lord.
Then?
I am out of service now, my lord.
So
now I am.
how can you be allowed to rejoin when you have not been reinstated?
I should be reinstated, my lord.
Then when the order was passed?
Order was passed, your lordship will find in 2000.
Then you filed a contempt petition.
Yes, my lord. That was closed.
It was closed.
Closed. On the
And
ground
you
that,
have-
again, I have filed application.
That was
Closed. They said that they will consider. They will consider.
Where it is?
Yes, my lord. So page 46. Page 46 and 47. On the ground that the authorities in the elementary education department of government of Assam did not have any role to perform, would be the consequential benefit would now be considered given by the authorities of BTC. As the petitioner had not approached the BTC for doing the needful, we are of the view that no deliberate and willful violation has been committed. The responding authorities and so and so. The said stand of the director of BTC has neither been controverted by the petitioner nor by so and so affidavit by so and so. In view of the above, the petition is accordingly closed. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach the court again if so advised. So again, I have filed my lord petition, and that was also not considered.
As the petitioner had not approached the BTC for doing the aware of the view and no donation, so they said the stand of the what is the stand of this thing? Has filed an emission in federal has said has taken that the authorities in the BTC has not received any representation from for carrying out the needful as per the orders. You have not filed any affidavit then? No, you have not filed any representation.
Representation was filed, my lord. It is there in lordship will find page 48.
No, that is subsequent. Right?
Yes, madam. Subsequently, I have filed, my lord. And earlier also I have filed. That was not placed before the
No, they
court,
said
my
there's no decision.
lord. Earlier also I have filed, my lord. So, my lord, they have filed now affidavit. Lordship may fix the matter for.
Order that it is up to the petitioner may well advise to approach the appropriate court to agitate his.
So now I am before a lordship for enforcement of the direction and judgment of this honorable court, my lord. Since then.
How can a writ petition be filed for enforcement of its order?
Yes, my lord. It is there. It is there is provision.
Where is
provision, my lord?
Where it is?
There is a decision of. I will place it, my lord. Lordship may fix of a recent decision of 2025, my lord, is there.
For implementation of
in a case of
its court order.
Yes, my lord.
Writ petition lies.
Yes, my lord.
It's strange.
It is there, my lord.
I'm hearing for the first time.
Yes, my lord, it is there. Even Bombay High Court and also Supreme Court has categorically stated in 2025 Rupa and Company cases.
Saying what?
Saying that, my lord, for enforcement of the order of the High Court or Supreme Court, it is lies. Second writ petition is lies, my lord.
Let us see that.
Well, today I am not having, my lord. Lordship may fix the matter next date. I will.
No, today we will hear you.
From online, I have got it, my lord. Notice.
You have looked it from the Google.
Yes, my lord.
Google Baba.
Yes, my lord.
You got it from the Google Baba.
Yes, my lord. Law library is there, my lord. So any date may be fixed, my lord. I will place. Lordship.
Or Mr. Esna,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that a writ petition, a second writ petition would lie for implementation of the
And also new cause of action. But new cause of action is
implementation of the order of the implementation and enforcement of the earlier order of the court in the earlier proceedings, earlier writ proceedings. However, today he is handicapped because as he has obtained, he had obtained such law through Google Baba.
law live, my lord. Law live.
Sorry, through Google and live law.
Live law, my lord.
Live law. Therefore, praise for placing the judgment as placing the said judgment. Therefore, praise for some time to place the said judgment before this court. Therefore, praise for some time. Praise aloud. Did I record something more? Anyway, place the better. After 2-3 weeks, as per Prabha, the learned
Date may
concept
fix,
for
otherwise,
the
my lord,
petition.
very difficult. And date may be fixed, my lord.
Give that it after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
I'll come back after 5 minutes. Yes.
May I place your lordship? BTC was supposed to file affidavit in opposition.
Sometime maybe, sometime.
Sometime to this 22/10/2025.
We have received instruction, Lordship. We have received instruction.
You have received the instruction.
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS
R. Mohilari.
GR Mohilari, learned counsel, standing counsel BTC, submits that she has received the instruction to which she would like to bring on record by an affidavit. Therefore, prays for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Prayers allowed, list the matter after 4 weeks. In the meantime, the standing counsel BTC to file their affidavit.
Item 20.
Highly obliged.
Today we have filed our additional affidavit, my lord, to bring this regulation on record.
You have filed.
Today file, my lord.
You have filed today.
Yes, ma'am.
It's on record. Additional affidavit.
Bring the regulation on record, my lord. Relevant portion. Correction of date of birth.
So,
My lord, as per
additional affidavit filed on behalf of Swapna Paul.
my lord,
Swapna Paul.
Swapna Paul, yes.
Swapna Paul. Saying what?
As per clause 8 of our regulation, my lord. 3 years, the
Any correction may be done, my lord, within 3 years from the commencement of the examination.
Where is that regulation?
My lord, copy to be given.
Actually, Lordship, another affidavit has been filed that was earlier, Lordship, on 20th. That Lordship, Lordship may be seeing. Lordship, this is my copy, Lordship. Lordship can take. Today that has been filed
Yes,
by them.
My lord, in our additional affidavit, running page 37, my lord, clause 8.
Yes. Correction of the date of birth.
Once the date of birth of a candidate is reported to the board through the mode prescribed by the board in the class preceding the class on completion of course, which the class examination is held and entered in the records of the board. Such date of birth shall not be altered after 3 years of appearance in the regular final exam by the candidate in class 10. And she applied, my lord, on 9/8/2023, that is after 39 years of the passing of the examination, which is not as per our norms.
Lordship, my case is that everything was correct. Even my service record has correct date of birth. I have no problem. I'm not here to change my date of birth for service book, Lordship. What happened, Lordship, 2023, I lost my admit card and HSLC. Thereafter, I applied, Lordship. I had given 2 times my exam, that is 1983, which I failed, and thereafter 1984, Lordship. When I got the duplicate mark sheet, Lordship, in my 1983 HSLC card, Lordship, correct date of birth was given by the authorities, Lordship. But the 1984 one, Lordship, they have changed it to 1962. My grievance is that my correct date of birth, that is 1966, which is earlier there in 1983, Lordship may come to annexure 4, page 16, Lordship, of the main petition, Lordship. My main writ petition, Lordship, annexure 4, page 16. Page 16, Lordship. This is the duplicate admit card that I have applied, Lordship. Here, my age is recorded as 16 years, 2 months and 01 days in March 1983, which comes to, Lordship, 1966, as per calculation, Lordship. Now, Lordship, kindly come to page 15 and 15A, Lordship. That is the earlier pages, Lordship. These are the duplicate admit cards that I've applied, Lordship, after I lost. Lordship, there it is recorded as 1962 and the second one also 1962, the 1984 exam.
You passed in 1984?
Yes, I passed in 1984, but I have given exams twice, Lordship, in 1983 and 1984. 1983, I failed exam. Thereafter, again, I gave in 1984. I also have, Lordship, on page 17.
Yes, one by one. Then what is this admit card of 83?
Yes, 83 is on page 16, Lordship. This is the duplicate admit card that I have applied, Lordship.
Then this is 15.
Yes, page 15 is the 1984 one, which, Lordship, the duplicate one that they have given is, here it is recorded as 1962, Lordship.
Why these two?
Yes, that is the distribution.
One is what? 15, 15, page 15 is what?
Page 15 is, Lordship, page 15 is the 1984 one admit card, Lordship.
15A?
Yes, this is the school living certificate, Lordship, of 1984, Lordship. This both cards, Lordship, this both certificates have 1962 as
then?
My, Lordship, actual is 1966, which is the 1983 that has recorded already. The 1983 one, Lordship, that earlier exam that I had given, Lordship, that is already there.
You passed out in 1984.
Yes, Lordship, but 1983 also I have given exam. There it has been recorded as the correct date of birth.
You have paid. Then subsequently you have applied.
Yes. Also, Lordship, I
You have passed in 1984.
Yes, Lordship.
By this admit card.
Yeah.
By this skill living certificate is 62.
Yes.
So it is recorded in the.
It is
62 is recorded in what?
62 is recorded now, lordship, in the duplicate one, lordship.
Not and where? In service book?
Service book is already 1966, lordship.
Huh?
Service book, I have no problem with that. It is already 1966.
Huh.
Service book, I have no problem.
Huh.
My only problem is the duplicate cards, lordship. The duplicate certificates that have been applied, they have given this. Even I have the original photocopy of the earlier admit card, lordship. That is on page 17, lordship, of 1984. Page 17 also, it is recorded as 1966 only.
17 is what?
Page 17, lordship,
Board of
original admit
Secretary.
card of 1984. There, my date of birth is recorded as 30/12/1966.
So, what you are correct? What you want to correct?
I am here for the correction of my lordship, this HSLC admit card and lordship school living certificate, lordship, which has been wrongly.
So, as per the regulation, is 3 years.
Yes, 3 years. But my already, my card, lordship, my age already recorded as 1966. It was not a problem, lordship. Discrepancy only arose when they gave us duplicated.
That was entered in your school living certificate. Where is the mark sheet? I mean, the certificate of pass mark.
Yes,
pass certificate.
Pass certificate, lordship, I have annexed, but there, lordship, it is not recorded any date of, but we have a additional affidavit, lordship. Page 36 of our additional affidavit, but there, lordship, no date of birth is given.
This mark sheet only.
Yes, mark sheet. This is mark
Where's
sheet.
the pass mark? I mean, pass certificate.
Yes. Mark sheet, lordship, we have annexed, lordship, as additional affidavit.
Sir, I am asking, where's the certificate of pass?
Pass certificate.
Is any pass certificate is there? There must be there.
Pass certificate, lordship. This is the mark sheet, lordship. These are the school living certificate and admit card, lordship. Because I have lost those. Only thing I have left was this photocopy of this admit card, lordship.
So what is the difficulty?
Difficulty, lordship. Difficulty is, lordship, 1984.
What does it, how do you, I mean, what does it has to do with the admit card?
Yes, lordship.
When you are this thing, page 17.
Page 17, lordship, that is original 1984 one.
Then why you want to get it corrected? This admit card only.
Yes, lordship. Corrected is, lordship, I have lost. This is a photocopy, lordship. I have lost that. For that, I have also filed an lordship and information to the police also, lordship. I applied after that, lordship. This happened. That is on annexure 2, lordship.
See, you have an admit card, 30/12/2066.
Yes, lordship.
I mean, your date of birth is recorded as 1966.
Yes.
Is it the final one? This is 1984.
Yes, lordship.
Then what is the difficulty? Why you want to change all those duplicates admit card?
Lordship, that original admit card was lost, lordship. In the month of 2023, in the year 2023, lordship, I have annexed on annexure 2. We had lost that original one. I only have that photocopy, lordship. That's why I applied for duplicate.
Duplicate of what?
Duplicate of this, lordship, admit card and pass certificate, lordship, and mark sheet. This, after applying for duplicate, lordship, we got that on 1 year, it is correctly written, and in the lordship admit card and pass certificate and others of 1984, it's written as 1962. That was our grievance.
So what is the problem?
Problem is, lordship, we want the corrected one, lordship. We have.
You have this one, the page 17.
Yes, that is correct, lordship, but that is a photocopy. But tomorrow, if some problem arises, lordship, and if it is incorrected, they may again, the authorities may again cause some problem.
Problem is you are supposed to have that by Within 3 years.
3 years, Lordship, might already corrected. I did not need correction earlier, Lordship. Correction, Lordship, my cause of action only arose on 2023, Lordship, when I lost it. So I have applied at that point of time.
So what they have not given?
Yes, Lordship.
They have given?
No, they have not given. That is the impugn order, Lordship. Impugn order is on page 20, Lordship, annexure 7. Lordship, they have stated the same thing, that it is informed that your manual application for DOB correction could not be considered due to this being time-barred appeal as per board rule.
No, you see, you are not asking for correction.
Yes, Lordship.
You are asking for original.
Yes.
Duplicate.
Yes, Lordship. That is the
In
thing.
terms of what?
In terms of the corrected one, Lordship. My original corrected one, Lordship. Yes, exactly. That is the thing I am asking.
See, they are not, he is not asking for correction.
Yes,
They may have admit card. Of course, there are 2-3 admit cards. You examine and consider, I mean, issuing is, if you found that this is, say 1966, because they have two admit cards, right?
My lord, then my lord, petitioner may be directed to apply fresh application before the board, my lord, and as per.
You are asking for the duplicate only.
Yes, duplicate only.
Where you have applied?
Lordship, I have earlier applied to the SEBA, Lordship.
Where it is?
This is
The
application is
application you
on page
applied.
18, Lordship. Page 18 is the translated copy. My birth year being wrongly mentioned earlier, which are as follows.
Previous method regarding birth year, so how can you do that? You want that you don't ask for 1962, you ask for 1966.
No, as which are wrongly
You have
mentioned.
documents.
Lordship,
You have a documents, one
Yes.
admit card showing that your date of birth is 1966.
yes, Lordship.
So previous one, it may not be, which is recorded in the board that will be given to you.
Yes.
It's not a question of correction. Correction you cannot ask for.
No, we are not asking for correction, Lordship. It is here, it is mentioned as 19.
You say this is for correction only. Seriously, what is serious
Yes,
method?
Lordship.
Date of birth being wrongly mentioned, which are as follows. Admit card is so and so. SLC, but
Wrongly
not to be
mentioned,
corrected by the.
This is wrongly mentioned, Lordship. That is the thing.
You want duplicate certificate or not?
Yes, we want duplicate certificate.
Then you submit along with this, which shows that 1966, not
Lordship,
the 62. Why you are asking for correction? Something fishy.
not fishy, Lordship. We have already given that,
How
Lordship.
can you have these two kinds of the documents? Which which one you have lost?
Lordship, we have lost the
Which day?
1984 one.
Huh?
We have lost the 1984 one and 1983 one, Lordship.
Ah.
Both of them. Those.
So you didn't know that ATT has this thing, the different date of birth,
Lordship.
and the 84 has a.
1984, 1983 had same date of birth, Lordship.
Ah.
That was the original thing. But when it came, Lordship, the duplicate ones came. Then the 1983 one, the correct date of birth came, Lordship. That is 1966 in the duplicate, Lordship, from the authorities, Lordship. But the 1984 one, Lordship.
Duplicate has already been given to you.
Yes, duplicate is given to me. Correct date of birth was given as 1966 one. That is the first 1983 one. Second one, Lordship, they have certain mistakes they have done and they have given it as 1962.
Ah.
That is my grievance, Lordship. One already duplicate one it is written as 1966, my date of birth. That is correct. Second one, Lordship, second year they have given as 1962. That is the problem, Lordship.
So you have already been issued, you have already obtained the duplicate certificate.
Yes, we have been given the duplicate certificates, but my correct two different date of birth has been given in 2 years, Lordship, in 1983 and 1984.
Ah.
That is the thing, Lordship.
How it is possible?
That is the thing, Lordship. My correct date of birth, I have already the originals, the photocopy of originals, everything I have, Lordship. Even my service book is also recorded as 1966.
Okay. So he is not asking for duplicate. He has already asked and he has already been provided with. Huh? You have asked for this too.
Admit card and pass certificate, my lord.
You have asked for this.
Which has been issued.
Yes, which has been issued with the correct date of birth, Lordship.
Hmm. Yes, what is to be done?
Records the particulars of the candidate, my lord, as per particulars submitted by the head of the institution at the time of appearing HLC examination. And accordingly, my lord, the board.
Page 70 is also issued by you.
My lord. Yes, my lord. My
Then
lord, then, my lord, we will produce the record, my lord. That is the MRS, manuscript sheet, my lord, which has been submitted at the time.
I think it's better.
Yes, my lord. I will produce the record.
In fact, you have, after you lost your original certificate, you applied for the duplicate.
Yes, Lordship.
Then when this order, this was issued, I mean, the school living certificate, page 15(1), 15A.
15A was issued in 2023, Lordship.
So which
After-
was that 1962.
Yes, Lordship.
So obviously, it must be as per the records.
But
So produce the record.
Lordship,
It cannot be corrected now. You may lose.
Lordship, let them produce.
Are
the
you
record.
working?
I will produce, my lord.
Are you
Because-
working?
Lordship.
Are you
yes,
in a job?
Lordship, she's working, Lordship.
She's
Because
working.
1983, Lordship, they have given us, provided with the duplicate that is recorded as 1966. And 1 year after, they have again changed it 4 years.
62. You are not retired.
Not retired, Lordship.
66.
Yes.
How many years?
4 years gap, they have changed it, Lordship. One,
When you are retiring?
1983 one, they are.
When you will retire?
Will retire this December, Lordship.
Then again,
And we are not even coming for service book.
Retire as per 1962 or 64?
I am
66.
here, my service book has recorded as 1966 only, Lordship.
So when you are retiring?
I am in December, I think.
As per as per the
1966, yes.
66.
Yes.
See, you may be trouble.
Yes.
So and so then consent for the petition. Having considered that the Seva,
board,
is it Seva?
now, my lord, ASEB, my lord, Assam State School
Assam
Education Board.
State,
School
Assam is-
Education Board.
Assam State Education Board, School Education Board, ASSEB.
Yes, my lord.
Has issued two duplicate admit card and admit card oblique pass certificates containing different date of birth. One is what? One is 30,
One is
12
Lordship.
30, 12.
One date of birth of
My lord,
1983 is 1966.
My lord, this issued pass certificate and my lord admit card has the same date of birth, my lord. That is 30/12/1962.
Yes. And
First one is
1983 one, Lordship, it is recorded as 1966.
Why 1960? Give the date of birth.
Date of birth, Lordship, it is not written, it's written as age on
Yes.
1st of March 1983 is 16 years, 2 months, 01
days.
days.
It's a good. 30/12/1962 and
Page 16.
and 1966, comma. The Mr. Roy, D.K. Roy, Learning String got the SSEB to produce the record containing the school, what is it? No, records, huh? That's all. List after 3 weeks.
Lordship, if possible, a date may be given.
Ah.
Obliged.
Also, in this matter also, so wait a lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks time.
Heard Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner on the prayer of Mr.
NR Sharma lordship.
N. R. Sharma, learned standing counsel BTC. Further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction and file affidavit.
Date may be fixed, my lord, if possible.
4 weeks in that case. Next.
1922.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, madam, any?
Lordship, the department hasn't received the mentioned proposal, Lordship.
So? He's asking for all pension scheme. He's asking other default pension scheme.
Malad, there is communication, it is mentioned in annexure, and upon which he has a claim on that matter, annexure 4, my lord.
Page
20, my lord. And that was in between the secretary to the government of Assam Finance Department and the secretary to the government, all of Finance Department.
What do you want to say?
This regard Finance Department also required, my lord, here, and I have to take instruction regarding that, my lord.
What instruction, whether he's entitled under all pension scheme, governed by all insurance, new pension scheme?
He was provisionalized only on 1/1/2013.
Yes.
And
Cut-off date is 11/01/2025 or what?
05, yes.
Huh?
Page 20, sir.
What is the cut-off date?
1/2/2005.
My lord, kindly see Lordship, page 21, Lordship.
Hmm.
Column number 3, Lordship. Appears to be allowed to those government employees whose recruitment process had started before 1/1/2025. This stated, Lordship. On that basis, Lordship, my petitioner claiming, Lordship. And Lordship, kindly, on that basis, Lordship. And kindly see, Lordship, page 16, Lordship. Page 16, 16, Lordship. Serial number 5, Lordship. Name of the petitioner, Lordship, Jamaluddin. Date of joining, Lordship, kindly see. 4th column, Lordship. 25/1/1996. Date of joining, Lordship. Kindly see, Lordship.
This regularization is with effect from?
13, Lordship.
Huh?
2013, Lordship. But date of joining is showing that, Lordship, 1996, Lordship.
This office earlier order so and so that is hereby notified and the services are hereby permission with effect from provincial as a concurrent. And incumbent person will be deemed to have become the employees of mentioned but as a replacing person whose names are included. 2013.
2013, Lordship.
So when this NPC new scheme.
But Lordship, my joining is, Lordship, 1996.
No, when did the new scheme came into force?
Probably, Lordship,
1/2/2005.
But Lordship, page 21, kindly see.
No, doesn't make a difference. This is only to show that you have joined in 1996
96, Lordship.
and regularization is with effect from 2013.
13, Lordship.
How you are entitled?
Lordship. Kindly see, Lordship, page 21, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Let them file, Lordship.
Dispose it off.
No, let them file, Lordship, affidavit, Lordship.
We'll allow the writ petition.
Lordship.
So then affidavit is not required.
Up to Lordship.
You are not entitled. This is only to show that you are working since 1996.
No, Lordship.
But regularization is 2013.
13, Lordship.
Then?
But Lordship, where Lordship, those who.
So-and-so. On the prayer of Mr. Thabildar, Air Thabildar, sorry, you Sharma, learned standing counsel. And who else?
As for respondent number 4.
Ah.
Pension Department, Lordship.
Huh?
Pension.
And who else?
And finance is my lord here.
Finance is there. Have you made the finance
No,
party?
Lordship. Finance is not with party.
Yes, only
Finance is there.
No, Lordship, not made party, Lordship.
You made it.
I will make party, Lordship, finance.
Further 3 weeks time is granted.
Finance is the party. Finance party.
Finance is party there. Is there?
Yes, Lordship.
Then?
Respondent number 2, Lordship.
Yes, earlier, learned assistant counsel. To file their respective affidavits. Next.
Item 23.
In this case, the affidavit is not filed. Kindly, my lord,
Objection, my lord, it is a,
let the file objection, my lord.
my lord, here, my lord, second wife, my lord, named Mohammedan, my lord, there is a full bench judgment, my lord, this kind of petition is not maintainable.
He is not admitted that I am a second wife. You lost my this paragraph.
My lord, this is the judgment, my lord.
Let on paragraph, page 7, paragraph 8, my lord.
Who?
Paragraph 8 and 9. My lord, I am the second wife. By suppressing the fact that I am not the second wife, he obtained a legal heir certificate by deleting my name, not mentioning my name, my lord. Paragraph 8 and 9. Let he reply in that paragraph.
Not my lordship, kindly paragraph, my lord,
Please, another-
22 and
my lord.
23, my lord.
He completely denied I am not the second wife.
First wife does not, 22.
Let me complete, mister. Brother, let me complete.
The respondent number 6 obtained legal heir
Yes.
certificate from the office of
Let
the
me
district court of Morigaon by mentioning she is the only wife of blessed Safiqul Islam and not concerning name of petitioner as second wife.
Yes. Now they obtained a certificate, it was placed before the authority. I come to learn. Then my name has not been mentioned. So we file a complaint, they stop the payment. So let the file affidavit, clarifying that.
So who has stopped?
The authority.
If they have stopped, why
No,
you should come? He should, rather she should come.
No, stop, my lord, they are. because of-
Respondent number 6 should come.
My lord.
Why you should file a
No,
petition?
because it is that their duty to make payment.
They have stopped it. They'll
divided.
stop in, they'll decide.
Because decide, my lord, but misdeed has been done there.
Then file a complaint, criminal complaint.
Then while loss of quality is there,
File a criminal complaint.
then a loss of quality is a judgment. The authority has the competent authority to divide they take decisions, my lord.
It's a full court judgment.
Yes, full court judgment, my lord, page 23.
22 important date. That, my lord.
23.
22 and 23.
We further hold that family pension being paid eldest of serving of would not mean that the entire family pension would be the personal problem eldest of this and wife and family and eldest.
Eldest. It
For
is
all
not her
such
property.
person who are entitled to the benefits mentioned.
All such other persons who are entitled to benefits. Now let's look at
What-
23.
Why
paragraph
this
23.
writ petition? Why you?
My lord,
What do you want?
let the file affidavit, my lord.
What do you want in this writ petition?
My lord,
What is your grievance?
my grievance is, my lord, I am entitled to get 50%.
Now that you have made a complaint before the authority,
This
and
was,
this has already been settled.
yes,
So they'll decide.
decide.
Why
But
we should
only
why we
fact
should,
is,
why we should pass the
my lord, only fact is that they submitted a legal health certificate No, my name has not mentioned there.
So they'll decide. They'll decide. You have made a complaint.
Yes.
It's under the decision of the authority, approved authority.
Right.
That's why they have stopped.
So, my lord, that
So
may be clear.
retribution is
That
not
may be clear
mandatory.
whether
You
I am
approach
the,
authority.
whether I am the second wife or not, but completely missed it.
We
my lord.
cannot decide.
Alright.
We, as a writ court, cannot decide who is
That
second
panel
wife,
to
who
be
is
decided.
first wife.
Yes, that panel is to be decided.
So why this writ petition?
Because
Why
that
this
is,
writ petition?
let the authority
Why
decide
this writ petition, I'm asking, sir?
for directing the
You
authority,
approach the authority.
directing the authority to
No,
make payment 50%.
no, we cannot.
And
You-
Yellow Sub can say,
They'll first decide and they'll make the payment. It's
Yes, ma'am.
already there.
Yellow Sub can pass
This has already been decided by the poor court.
Yes.
Now,
paragraph 23, last part Yellow Sub can list. Paragraph 23 of judgment.
yes,
Last part. But however, in my lord, in a given case, the state authorities on their own volition are of the view that under the acceptable circumstances, the authorities are agreeable or required to pay the pensions separately to any such member of the family of deceased
we
employee.
place the judgment before
Yes.
the authority.
My lord,
We cannot pass over the, pass.
by quoting that, my lord.
Huh?
Let them decide. Let them decide. I file a representation. Yes, my lord.
Go there.
That observation, let me dispose of, my lord.
Heard Mr.
Jai Ahmad.
J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Learned counsel for. Before that, who else are there? State respondents.
5 and 7, madam.
Who is one?
I'm 1, 2, 5 and 7.
You just give it a note sheet. And Mr. Swen, Burguya, learned counsel for respondent 6. Next para. The petitioner claims to be the second wife of late what? What is the name of your husband?
Let Shafiqul Islam.
Late. Where is this?
Paragraph 2, my lord, of my petition.
Sabikul Islam.
Died on 24/11/2024.
Sabikul Islam. Safikul.
Yes.
Safikul Islam.
Died on
Who had died-
24/11/2024. Living behind the following here.
Who had expired on 24/11/2024. Was working as what?
Teacher.
What teacher? Assistant teacher.
Assistant teacher, my lord.
Assistant teacher. Leaving behind 2 wives and 6 children, has filed this petition. Seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to pay the pension and other material benefit of her deceased husband equally to the petitioner and the respondent number 6, who respondent 6, who is the first wife. List of.
My lord, I am sorry, great for employee of category MEM.
Where do you get it?
Paragraph 3, my lord. I am sorry, my lord.
Working as
And at page 17 also there, my lord.
17.
Page 17, my lord. Fiscalization order, my lord. Grade 4, category MEM school, my lord.
Sapigul.
Real number 11, my lord, last employee.
Great for.
In
the so-and-so, Kandiguri MEM.
Case is pending. Yeah, number to first this letter.
This is what? Which is ME Madrasa. ME Kandiguri ME Madrasa. So-and-so, page 17. Serial number 11, you find it. It is the contention that the respondent number and the petitioner number, respondent number 6, the first wife has obtained the legal aid certificate from the office of the District Commissioner Morigaon by mentioning that she is the only wife of less Safiqul Islam, while ignoring, without mentioning the name of the petitioner, without mentioning the petitioner, who is a legally wedded second wife. Mr.
She has also one son also. She has also one son. I mentioned there.
Mr.
I also mentioned
It's okay.
paragraph 2. I
We are not
details
going to
mentioned.
anything on this.
I filed a complaint, paragraph 9, it may mention.
As agreed to by learned counsel by the parties. Having considered the judgment and order of the full court.
Yes, full court.
Dated 22/12/2022. Passed in WA 160 of 2018.
Paragraph 22 and 23.
And as agreed to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. This court is of the considered view that no determination is required as the issue as regards the entitlement of the first and second wives have been settled by this court in the above judgment of isko kar lena Master Janufa Bibi. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the
3 and 4, 3 and 5.
with the direction to the petitioner to approach the appropriate authority.
Now, I will approach the resolution number 3 and 4. Authority.
Approach the respondent authority.
So I already filed representation.
Particularly.
We already filed representation.
Particularly, respondent number, particularly.
3.
Respondent number 3
and
4.
5.
Naam likh dena hai.
Needful, my lord, as part of this judgment.
Who would do that? Who would consider in terms of the judgment and order of this court, so and so, in so and so, so and so.
After hearing all the parties. Yep. Diploma.
Yes.
So I pray some little accommodation. Salary stop from in the year 2022 April before this honorable court on 25, my lord. So let the matter come immediately after vacation, my lord.
A short date may.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer, Mr. Talukdar, B. Talukdar, the elementary is further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
For time being.
Yeah, my lord, honorable court directed us to file our affidavit, my lord. Day before yesterday, we have filed our affidavit, the affidavit not on record, my lord. So I pray let the affidavit come, my lord, in the meantime. So
I'm appearing on behalf of.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted by Mr. B. Talukdar, learned counsel, standing counsel, elementary education, that affidavit opposition has already been filed in terms of the order. This court that is 06/03/2026. However, it is seen that same is not brought, take with the record. Registry to verify and take the same. If it is filed, take the registry to verify. And if the affidavit in opposition is filed, to take the same with the records. List after 3 weeks.
On it, my lord.
3 weeks.
Matter can be disposed of, my lord.
Huh?
Matter can be disposed of.
What is the matter?
Yes, madam, on the basis of that affidavit.
What is the affidavit? This affidavit is not there.
Next week, my lord.
Next week.
That
What is your stand?
Senator says eligible for the
Pensionary benefit.
pensionary benefit.
And
You
my,
said you are admitting it.
yes.
Then
So-
next week, we'll see.
Problem.
May I please, Your Worship? Worship, in
Yes.
this matter, the status need to file their, in opposition has not been filed.
Or Mr. So-and-so and conflict with the person. On the prayer, Mr.
These two matters are similar, both the next
Huh?
matter is also similar. So may-
28, 29.
Yes.
Separate order, but same order. On the prayer, me you Sharma. Both. You Sharma in both.
Fixed
For
date,
that
Worship.
3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Fixed date may be given. Deeply obliged. Deeply.
Thirty-two lordships, we have their petitioner, they were already been accommodated lordships. As a tutor, there were 12 petitioners, 9 petitioners were already been accommodated lordships, and they are getting the salaries. And
Comply.
Lordships fully not comply.
My lord,
It
similar case,
willful, it has to be
similar
willful.
case
If
has
you
already
are-
been disposed by the court,
Yeah.
and exactly similar.
If you agree,
Lordships.
You
Some
may
petitioner
approach.
retired before appointment.
huh?
Some petitioners were already retired from.
Can we do?
Retired, they could not,
Contempt
they
is
could not join.
willful. Willful or disobedience?
Lordships.
There's no
Willful
willful.
disobedience.
Lordships.
Simple disobedience will also not do. So,
Some petitioner as a.
and Mr. So-and-so land counsel for the petitioner.
And
It
I'm
is-
for, yes, for all the respondents, look.
Huh?
I'm for all the respondents, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mr. SMT60 learned counsel for all the alleged contemners. Submits the order of this court. No, submits that
There are 9 petitioners, they were already been accommodated lordships.
the petitioners have already been offered appointments. And then they have accepted the same. And are drawing the, are working,
Those who were appointed, they were working and they're getting salary also.
all of them.
No, 9 petitioners.
Out of,
Out of 12.
why then others,
They have already retired in time lordships.
Petitioner number 4, 5, 8, lordship,
then we'll only say that,
lordship.
the,
Retired
who submits that the order of this court has duly been complied with.
Lordship not
As
complied.
as the petitioner has, petitioners have been appointed and are working, except some of the petitioners who have retired. This stuff.
Lordship, it is a.
In view of, accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. However, considering that the petitioner, some of the petitioner
It is
have
a
not
case
been
of-
appointed on
Yes,
being,
ma'am.
on
Lordship,
being,
it is a
on
case
being,
of-
on being, huh?
Case of payment of area salary.
No, lordship, there is a division bench order. The scrutiny, they have subjected them to the scrutiny committee. They have
Then
found to
in that
irregular.
case, the petitioners is at liberty to approach this court if they are agreed by the compliance, agreed by any order passed by the respondent, else contempt. Huh?
Public.
435.
May I please, Your Lord? In this case, earlier question, the honorable court is directed to amend the cost title as per respondent number.
Yes.
Respondent number 3. So we amended the cost title and taken step, my lordship, upon respondent number 3.
You have taken steps.
Yes, please.
You file an
Amended cost title,
file.
Yes, my lord. Yes, fine. We have filed, we have also taken step on this. As per order dated
I was service respond number 3.
respond number 3.
Heard Ms. So-and-so learned counsel for the petition and Mr.
Serving counsel
for
BTC.
BTC. You are also there.
Yes, I'm also.
SMCC board.
Education department.
My lordship, in read petition,
Await service report in respect of respondent number 3. List after 4 weeks.
my lordship, in read petition, BTC is supposed to file their.
We'll file it, lordship. We have received the instruction, we'll file the affidavit.
In the petition, you write on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so
Sure, my lordship.
and the standing counsel BTC and Mr. You are also appearing here.
For the education department, lordship, elementary law. In the WPC law.
Granted for the 3 weeks time to file it. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes.
My lord,
It's mathematically taken up next week. Though we have filed our affidavit, we have complied, but my.
my lord, that
senior,
is not correct.
TS had
His
replied.
submission is incorrect, my lord, because they have filed one speaking order and they have filed one affidavit because I am not agree with their speaking order. Then I file reply. Let the matter be listed for hearing, contempt hearing on next week, my lord.
List as read for the parties, list this matter next week.
Oblige.
After a week, yes, say after a week.
Yes, ma'am, after.
37.
May I plead, your lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, in this case, till that no affidavit has been filed.
Why?
Maybe service is not completed, my lord.
Service in
Have you
respect of
taken
5 and 6 is not.
when you have when did you take the service steps? Sorry. Last order 2605. You have not taken steps.
Others are appeared, your lordship, only.
5 and 6.
6.
Huh?
5 and 6.
Mr.
M. Deka, lordship.
M. Deka, learned counsel for praise is granted further. Granted a week
Standing
time
counsel
to
elementary.
take steps for service of notice upon respondent 5 and 6. List after 4 weeks. You
Oblige.
take within 1 week, right?
Oblige, lordship.
38, 39.
I need some little accommodation. I couldn't follow up, take the follow-up action, lordship. It's my fault. Let it taken up on next week, any date, lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. SMT 60, learned counsel for the learned counsel for Alice contempt numbers 2 and 6, huh?
Yes.
A week's time is granted to obtain instruction. MS
As Kanun.
S. Kanungo, learned counsel for petition is present.
Deeply obliged.
41.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioners are praying for family pension of their deceased father and son, Lordship.
Hmm. Father and son.
Mother and son, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar, what happened?
কি নাম আছে?
Meganko Tipu Deka.
And MS. MS,
M. Bora, Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner, no, and affidavit. Has been filed showing the proof of justice service, huh? In respect of respondent number 5. Anybody appearing for respondent 5?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
This name is Papi Hazrika. Papi Hazrika.
Papi Hazarika is the relative, Lordship, of the respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5, after the death of my father, she left the home, Lordship.
Nayan Mani Dekha.
Yes.
Respondent number 5.
Yes.
What is it? Perusal of the same. Next para. Perusal of the same indicates that one MS Papi has received the notice on behalf of the respondent number 5. Who is Papi Hazrika?
Lordship, respondent number 5's sister-in-law, Lordship.
Who Papi Hazrika on behalf of who happens to be a relative of, close relative of the respondent 5. Thus, it is presumed that thus the notice upon respondent number 5 is deemed to be completed. List for admission after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
My pleasure, Lordship. My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, this contempt application has been preferred against the non-compliance of the judgment and order dated 19/10/2023.
Yes.
Lordship, at para page number.
Affidavit to be filed by learned counsel respondent not received yet. Huh? Are you appearing?
Lordship, out of 3 directions, Lordship, it was directed that I may be reinstated. Lordship, accordingly, I have been reinstated. Lordship, I'm drawing the current salary. So far as the arrear salary is concerned, there was a direction at paragraph number 22, at page number 38, your Lordship. That is, Lordship, already arrear statement has already been prepared, Lordship, at order dated 15/12, it is here, Lordship. However, Lordship, I have not been received the arrear salary. It is amounting to 18 lakhs. 41,776. It is reflected in the order also, Lordship.
While passing this order, Lordship, direction was granted to reinstate him. He was initially, Lordship, terminated from service, then to reinstate him. We have reinstated him. The order of reinstatement is at page 42.
Then
Speaking order. There was direction to consider to continue the DP. That because of that DP was not continued, it was stopped. So it was continued. So we have now, after reinstating him,
3 months, Lordship. That was within a period.
let's just wait.
After reinstating him, Lordship, we have issued a stopwatch notice to him again to initiate the DP, Lordship. When he has replied to that, we are not satisfied. We have rejected his reply. So now, Lordship, the DP will again continue. So after DP, then we'll come to the conclusion whether he is entitled to the area or not. So, Lordship, if he is not satisfied with our that, then he may challenge the rejection order. So this is the compliance of the order. We may peruse the page for paragraph 40. Paragraph 40 of the order, Lordship.
40.
Page number 39. Yes, page number
38.
39, your Lordship.
From 38.
From 38, if I may read, your Lordship.
Page 40.
Para 40.
Para 40, Lordship.
In view of, if my
Page
38, para 40. If I may read, your Lordship.
38. In view of such
In view of such, this
impaired
held
orders
above the
identified within the department procedure inquiry, so and such replies given by President though his doesn't the will have to initiate the procedure.
Para 42 is very important, Lordship.
Insofar as the area paying because is concerned, the petitioner is entitled to because till the date of his termination.
This is very important. Lordship, already I was called, I was taken hearing. Lordship, then the director has passed speaking order. They have reinstating me. Lordship, within a period of 3 months, they have completed the departmental proceeding. Now they have freshly, that is totally contemptuous in nature, your Lordship. But page number 42 at annexure 4, your Lordship. This is the director. Director has already.
Till termination, he is entitled.
Yes.
Yes, for para 40, that DP may be initiated.
So it's okay.
Yes.
Thereafter,
3
DP
years.
initiated is maybe. Now you have to first pay the area also.
Yes.
Till his termination.
Understand, Lordship. My contention is that, Lordship, in the DP, if any other view is there or anything is there, Lordship, that will come out. We'll pay. We are not denying that we will not pay. So at least sometimes the time should be given. Lordship, we are paying for some time.
Lordship, page
But
number
Mr.
43.
So-and-so learned counsel for the prayer. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so. No, it is notice that So far is the direction
He has been reinstated at page 42.
as regards the reinstatement in the service of the petitioner is concerned appears to have been complied with. However, the direction to pay the area salary till till the submission of the petitioner has not been
Order dated
Paid.
22-1.
However, Mr. Air Tabila learned counsel for the this content rest for some time on the ground that the payment of area salaries till termination as directed by CFO has already been initiated. Initiated. No, not DP. DP you can initiate, but then it's clear.
PRP,
Para 42 says that you have to pay till his termination.
Yes.
Area salary.
Lordship, page 43, one moment only, page 43. The director has.
It's okay, I've done it. Seen it.
We are lordship regarding, we are on now on DP because the direction was.
The direction is to pay the areas back wages till termination, that you have to pay. Thereafter, you may initiate whatever you may terminate him again. That is another issue.
That is the direction.
That is lordship, in my humble understanding, lordship, paragraph 40. Lordship, it was, the direction was that the department may proceed with the inquiry on the basis of show cause notice is there if they are unsatisfied with the so and so.
You proceed, but then para 42 you read.
Yes, para 42.
41.
41 and
41.
42. Within a period of 3 months. Lordship, already 3 years has.
Just wait. Hold your horses.
Regarding that, lordship, that initiation of that process for this, I'll have to take instruction. Lordship, that part may not be that, and my submission may not be recorded that.
Then why said however? Huh? Mr. Air Tabinda learns counsel for the police company submits that as per the direction of this court, the petitioner, the service of petitioner has already been reinstated. And the disciplinary proceedings has also been initiated. But he has no instruction as regards the payment of areas and back wages. Therefore, phrase for some time to obtain instructions. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
Lordship, if I may pray for a date, your lordship.
It's okay. You are reinstated. You are
Lordship,
receiving the service.
Four-paid employer.
Just wait.
Deeply.
Next.
Please, lordship.
Yes.
The compassionate appointment and direction given for TLC.
Huh?
Last occasion, Mr. Nat was appearing
Yes.
and seek time for instruction.
And so far as Mr. PN Sama is concerned, his father is not well, so he is on leave, lordship. Not twice, no?
Dinat.
Dinat. Inform him. We'll take it up at 2. We'll continue at 2.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
We have it.
What is it? Same thing, it was heard Mr. So-and-so learn consent for the petitioner. Mr.
Dina, Lordship.
Did not learn consent for the respondent by placing the communication, copy of the communication dated 12/03/2026 from the District Commissioner Hailakandi. Submits that the approval of the Chief Secretary Assam, approval for placing the matter before the district level committee. Is still awaited, Mr. As in when the approval is granted, necessary steps will be taken to conduct the DLC and follow-up action will be. Necessary steps will be taken to conduct the DLC and appropriate necessary follow-up action will be further taken. This will be taken thereafter, huh? Look at it. What is it? Necessary steps will be taken and follow-up action thereafter, huh? Follow-up action thereafter. Considering above that this matter will be listed after 4 weeks, Christoph. In the meantime, it is expected that the the DLC shall conduct its meetings. This after 4 weeks.
I prefer that, my lord.
Copy, huh?
That I prefer.
Copy of the, this is very difficult nowadays. I don't know how you will be considered. When there is no policy involved, there's no longer a policy. We'll see. 4 weeks.
Item 46 lawsuit, the party has been wrongly implemented. It should have been direct or secondary education lawsuit. Lawsuit may carry turn to page lawsuit 17 of the contempt petition lawsuit.
Commissioner Secondary Education.
Lordship here, lordship can be turned to first turn to page 16. This is the WPC number, WPC 710021, page 16. 710021 is the analogous cases, batch of cases were disposed of together. Is Mafruza Begum. Here the party is the director of secondary education, page 17, respondent number 2. And the direction in this batch of petition was direction to the both director of secondary as well as director of elementary. And this school is now under director of secondary. But they have made director of elementary as a party respondent in this contempt petition. That is wrong, lawsuit. It should have been director of secondary education, lawsuit. They should rectify it, lawsuit. Rectify
Pointing out by Mr. SMT Sisti that the Alice container has been wrongly made as the concerned director would be Director Secondary Education instead of Director Elementary Education. MS so-and-so learn consent for the police first for some time to file appropriate application for substitution. Application for application implementing the
16, 17 তাক দেখাবা ঘৰটো দেখাবা
Appropriate authority.
সেকেন্ডারি এলিমেন্ট চবকে আসলে
Yes, at least to have.
সেকেন্ডারি পার্টি
At least to have. Quality.
সেকেন্ডারি আন্ডার
This is the matter. After 3 weeks, you file, you bring the director of secondary education.
Obliged lordship.
We are going to take the matter of the petition before the state level scrutiny committee on 2/4/2026. Date will be held on 2/4. So let me come after vacation. I will.
On the prayer of Mr. M.S. Swenso, or Mr. M.S. Swenso Learned Council for the peace. On the prayer, Mr. SMTCST Learned Council for respondent number 1. List after 3 weeks to obtain instruction. Why so many contempts, sir?
There are so many complaints, dear lordships.
So this order is of,
My lord, as per last
22/1,
direction, we have filed
2025.
our affidavit, my lord, yesterday, my lord, and it is not coming to the record, my lord. So, my lord, time may be granted.
Lordship, they are seeking time for several occasions, Lordship. This order is of 22/1/2025 and Lordship, there is.
Complied with?
My lord, affidavit has already.
No, what is your affidavit?
Affidavit, my lord, as per last order, honorable court has asked, whether, what is the steps taken by the respondent authority.
So
from,
what the
shift
steps
of-
you have taken
Yes,
for
yes.
compliance?
My lord, to that extent, my lord, he has failed to fulfill the certain norms, my lord. So, my lord, some confusion is there, my lord. As regards, my lord.
Heard
15
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. U. Sharma learned counsel, counsel for Alice contemner submits that steps are being taken for compliance of the order of this court. To that effect, an affidavit has already been filed. However, same is not tagged with the record. We have let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, may kindly fix it there because this order is already 22/1, Lordship, 2020, 1 year has passed, Lordship.
Then,
Lordship,
is
immediately.
it not barred by limitation? Section 20. Is it barred by section 20?
No, Lordship, but still, Lordship, this order is of 22/1/2025.
Ah, okay.
So 1 year has already left, Lordship.
Let's see.
Obliged.
For the timing also, AR Tobilder is paying this is under other.
What is the complaint or not?
The order passed on 10th of February, my lord. They were asked to take necessary steps. We have filed a contempt against the order dated 9th of January 2025. They were asked to take a decision as regards the application of the petitioner, but no steps has been taken by the contempt terms, my lord. No steps has been taken. If my lord may kindly peruse the order which has been passed at page 14, this was the order passed, judgment passed, my lord. The relevant.
Some more documents are required in the constitution to submit that petitioner ready to cooperate and produce the document agreeing with him as and when it may be required, provided he is not aware of the requirement.
We had submitted the documents way back in October 2025. Even then, they have not taken any decision.
For loss of timing, loss of AR Tobilder is coming loss.
After some time.
If you want.
We have filed an appeal, my lord. There are delay is also there are 202 days delay in that case, my lord, notice has issued, my lord. Has issued, my lord. In the we have filed an appeal, my lord. That is pending.
Mayor filing will not, law is very clear.
My lord, there are delay also, my lord, 200.
That's why the mayor filing of appeal will not absorb you from. Huh?
They have appeared, my lord.
Doesn't matter whether you have complied with or not.
My lord,
Can you peruse the last order, my lord? 16 February 26.
This is the matter again, on which date the respondent may apprise this court as regards any stay order that may have been passed by the, any order, stay order? Unless there is a stay order, you cannot.
Lord, in the IA.
Doesn't matter anything.
Some time may be granted, my lord.
Mr.
Deputy Chauhan on behalf of SIK.
Yes. S. Saikia.
Yes, Sakia. On behalf of
Yes.
yes, Sakia.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. P.K. Bora. Learned counsel for the Alice contempt for the 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
May please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I is for implement of parties, lordship. The petitioner was dismissed from service by way of order dated 22/5. Accordingly, 22/7/2025, and accordingly he preferred an appeal before the governor of Assam, lordship, that appeal is acting.
Whom
pending.
you would like to implead? Whom you would like to implead?
Secretary to the governor,
Commissioner and secretary?
commissioner and secretary to the governor.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Next minute, this is an application praying for impleadment of secretary, commissioner and secretary to governor of Assam. As party respondent in the connected writ petition being WPC number 6671 of 2025. Who has dismissed the
Yes, Lord. It was dismissed.
who has dismissed you?
Pardon, lordship.
Who has dismissed you?
Secretary, lordship.
Secretary of what, sir?
Secretary to the government of Assam Education Department, lordship.
The petitioner, next para, challenges the, has challenged the dismissal order.
Yes, lordship.
This petitioner who was working as deputy inspector of schools
Yes, lordship.
at Gauhati. Is it the petitioner has been dismissed from service by the secretary to the government of Assam,
School Education Department.
School Education Department, against which against which an appeal has been filed before the Honorable Governor of Assam in terms of the under Rule 13 of the Assam Discipline and Appeal Rules, bracket close, Rules to 1964. This stuff. What is your prayer in the writ petition?
Reinstatement in service, lordship.
When the matter is pending, how can you file a writ petition?
The appeal is pending, lordship.
If it is pending, and how can you file a writ petition? What is your writ petition? That's why I'm asking.
Lordship, for a direction to dispose of the appeal, lordship.
This stuff, the petitioner, which is pending, huh?
Yes, lordship.
Continue, which is pending. By filing the writ petition, the petitioner, filing the connected writ petition as spread for a direction to dispose of the appeal filed by the petitioner. You said in place of petitioner, you just read applicant, huh? Applicant. Pending before the Honorable Governor. Notes, madam. Having considered the grievance raised by the petition in the appeal, in the writ petition, to the extent of to the extent for direction to dispose of the appeal prepared by the petitioner against the dismissal of his service. Against the order of dismissal from service, I am of the considered with the commissioner and secretary to the governor, Honorable Governor of Assam, would be a necessary party in the connected writ petition, accordingly, the Commissioner Secretary to Governor of Assam, Kumar Rajbhan Paba, Ujan Bajar, Gauhati, is allowed to be implemented as party respondent number 5 in the connected writ petition being WPC so and so. Same. Writ petition stands allowed and the interleave application stands disposable. Allowed and disposed of. Stands disposal. Stand allowed and disposed of. Yes. In a district writ petition, in view of the order passed in so and so, the land council for the petition to file amended course title on such filing, registry to incorporate the name of the newly implemented respondent number 5 and issue thereafter notice be issued.
Obliged.
May I appeal, Your Lordship? Lordship, this writ petition has been filed by the petitioner in 2021, agreed by a particular clause of a particular notification.
Wait, IA is for?
Lordship, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, this matter has been heard at length, Lordship. Then therefore, this matter was kept for Lordship passing judgment. But judgment is not passed, then matter released. Now, in the meantime, what happened during Lordship, the pendency of this writ petition, Lordship may kindly take up the IA. An advertisement is issued, Lordship, during pendency of this writ petition, page 12, whereby, Lordship, there are 4 number of posts in the computer and information technology that are going to be filled up. Then applications are invited and last date is 31st of March 2026. But initially, when this writ petition was moved, this honorable court, after hearing Lordship, was pleased to pass an interim protection not to disturb my service. Now here, Lordship, I filed this application to continue that interim order and Lordship may fix the matter for final disposal of the writ petition. That order is already there. Lordship may kindly see page 10. Page 10.
Also, matter with timing Lordship, as this is happening, you know that.
What order is there?
But
Page,
I don't, timing Lordship.
page 11, Lordship, kindly see IA.
Regular time to contact Das Lordship. Timing Lordship.
Page 11.
Page 11. The last paragraph, till the next returnable date, it is provided the service of the petitioner as an assistant professor full-time contractual in the Faculty of Computer Science in Jorhat Institute of Science and Technology shall not be disturbed. And this order was continuing, but in the meantime, Lordship, after during pendency, Lordship, now this impugn advertisement issue. I am not against this following the process, but my service shall not be disturbed. That much only. The earlier interim order that may be continued. For that, Lordship, I filed this application. And Lordship may in the meantime fix the matter for hearing, Lordship. Lordship, it may come up already record is also produced, Lordship, on last occasion. No. I am only continuation of the earlier interim order, not to disturb my service.
And Mr. A. Dekar, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also
Yes,
heard Mr.
Record is already there.
Mr. Airtel Tabildar, learned standing counsel,
Higher education.
higher education.
It's one and
Next page. This is an application
Installing the product.
praying for praying for continuation of interim order dated 15/12/2021 till the disposal of the case till the disposal of the connected writ petition number 6773 of 2021. Mr. Next paragraph. This court, while issuing notice on 15/12/2021.
Process to solve now. It to continue.
Was the interim order. Providing that the service of the, that will be next para, service of the petitioner as an assistant professor, full-time contractual. Bracket clause in the Faculty of Computer Science in Jorhat Institute of, page 11, you see here, Institute of Science and Technology shall not be disturbed. What is your case in the writ petition?
WBC Lordship, agreed by Lordship, kindly come to in the writ petition, page 47.
You just tell us.
Lordship, the government issued a particular notification on dated 25th of February 2021, whereby they have inserted two clause. I am agreed by a particular clause whereby it is stated that they have to, may I read that particular clause? The part-time lecturer must submit an undertaking in the prescribed format to receive the remuneration at the enhanced rate that he will not claim for regularization of the job without facing APSC as per norms. Page 47, Annex 17.
Mr. Decker, learned counsel for the applicant submits that during dependency of this, the connected writ petition, the respondent authority has issued an advertisement.
Yes, yes. On
filling up
10th of
the
March,
filling advertisement on 10th
10th of March 2026
26
for filling up 4 number of posts
for filling up four number of posts
in computer, in science and information technology.
computer and post of what?
Post of computer science and
Post
information.
of assistant professor.
Assistant professor, Lord. In the department of.
In the department of for post of assistant professor in the faculty of computer science and information technology
Lordship.
for Jorhat University.
Jorhat Institute of
Institute
Science and Technology, JIST.
Jorhat. List of the next challenge in the writ petition is to the order that do the notification.
Notification, Lordship. Page 47.
You just tell us notification date.
Notification dated 25th of February 2021.
2021, whereby certain clauses have been provided, making the petitioner ineligible.
No, we are asked to submit an undertaking that we
whereby
will
the-
not claim for regularization.
Whereby the petitioner and the other similar situated persons have been asked to submit an undertaking not to ask for,
Yes,
not to seek regularization
Yes, yes,
in their respective services. List of next para. Having considered that the issue needs to be finally determined as to whether the respondent authority has the whether the notification requiring to submit an undertaking would be valid, would be legal or not under the law is pending, I deem it appropriate to continue the interim order passed by this court on 15/12/2021. This accordingly interim order dated 15/12/2021 shall continue to the effect that the service of it will continue interim order which provides has provided that the service of the petitioner as an assistant professor within bracket full-time contractual in the faculty of computer science shall continue till the next date.
Lordship, let the matter come up for admission hearing. Already this matter has been heard at length.
IA stand
Dispose of.
allowed and disposed of. IA is 960.
Yes, yes. That
What about the other IA?
that earlier Lordship, that has been Lordship rejected, no? Yeah. Closed.
Closed. It has already been closed.
No, that IA is clear. Earlier in file, I was not at that time.
Allowed.
Kya करने थे?
Disposed. No, what about this IA?
So, अच्छा नहीं.
3432, what is this?
Let me.
ना कौन ना पाना क्यों करा? उनको ऐसा, उनको ऐसा.
343. कौन लगे नहीं? Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship. Lordship, for publication of final result pursuant to the Lordship that is over Lordship already.
This already been offered.
Teaching proficiency test.
In this heard Mr. So and so and Mr. So and so yeah. The IA has, the internal application has become in process accordingly. Same instance. Disposed of, closed and disposed of.
So let him come up for
In
admission.
IA,
Record is already
heard
produced.
Mr. So and so. Both
After view.
list for admission after 4 weeks.
For admission, Lordship.
Ah,
That's after 4 weeks, that
Ah.
may fix, Lordship.
We'll see.
2021 matter,
We'll
Lordship.
see.
Apply, Lordship. Deeply apply, Lordship.
Which day?
Yes, item 50
So in this case, the last
is
order,
ready to cooperate. Yes,
Last, Lordship,
tell us.
Lordship, we have misplaced some documents required to, Lordship, give the benefit interest part.
You have asked for.
Yes, Lordship.
You have asked for them.
Lordship. So we have forwarded.
You did some documents from the petitioner.
Yes, we
Have
have
you
asked
asked from him?
some documents they have given, Lordship, and some are to be get from the college. Because, so we have, Lordship, forwarded this letter to college also today itself.
Then
college, they have written today, the order was passed on 10th February. Why they waited for
in
almost,
February of what?
last order of this honorable court was passed on 10th February.
Okay.
Today they have woken up, my lord. Today they have written a
Heard
letter.
Mr.
S. Khan, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Yeah, to the
Air Tabil, the learned
for the
counsel,
respondents.
learned counsel for Alice Contender submits that active consideration, the respondent authorities are under active consideration to comply with the order of this court. However, due to
Some sort of documents.
requirements of certain documents which they have, which the authority has sought from the concerned departments is yet to be received. Sometime would be
From concerned college, that's.
from the college. Sometime would be required, sometime would be required. Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
The date may be fixed because, my lord, the petitioner is
4
around,
weeks.
around 80 years
Whereas,
old. man. A date may be fixed after the Bihu vacations, my lord.
Therefore, first for listing of the matter after 4 weeks.
Number 3.
Considerable that this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
March,
4th May.
Apply that.
The doctor will appear, he is coming, my lord, after some time, my lord.
No, it's the last case. Yes, you start your,
Yes, Your Honor.
yes. What is the matter?
Your Honor, an application was published by the Principal Secretary Ali Changani High Secondary School for 2 vacant post, Lordship.
So we can post of what?
Grade 4. Grade 4. Thereafter, in the interview, petitioner secured first position, and the one Mr. Mustaq Ahmed who secured second position in the interview, Lordship. But Lordship, due to several litigation instituted by that Mustaq Ahmed who secured second position, the authority could not had not issued appointment letter to the petitioner, Lordship, and petitioner secured first position. But after disposed the all the litigation filed by the Mustaq Ahmed, the department issued appointment letter to the Mustaq Ahmed Lordship, but the petitioner till date appointment letter has not issued, Lordship. Petitioner has approached the respondent several times.
Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, in the last occasion, Senior Counsel HRA Chaudhary appeared in this matter, Lordship.
Yes. Advertisement was issued. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Lordship, in this case, that advertisement was for 2 posts of gate 4. In the year 2013 itself, inspector has rejected the claim of the petitioner.
Saying what?
Lordship, I have filed affidavit in opposition in affidavit, Lordship, Annexure 1.
Saying how can you reject it? By which order?
Page 58.
58. Abdul Kasem. Is the Abdul Kasem?
One of my affidavit in opposition
Hmm.
from inspector of school to the principal, Alitakmoni Osmania SS School. Lordship, got it?
Submitted by is not satisfied and could not be forwarded director, so you are requested to hold re-interview.
Thereafter, Lordship, petitioner has not challenged that order. Some other candidate has challenged, Lordship.
Huh? But then there is a direction to bring it to logical conclusion of that. This is the total after this only.
After that order of 58, one Abdul Qasim Furadi of his petition. Petition number 3682, Lordship. An honorable court passed an order to Lordship pass an speaking order, Lordship. And in that person's Lordship, Annexure 2 of my page 60 has been passed. Page 60, I am directed to request you to conduct an hearing of the petition of Mustaq Ahmed and verify the document and submit detailed report. That Lordship, after that Lordship, speaking on the page.
No, what about this? Page 57, 59?
59. 59, Lordship, it is in pursuance of the order dated 6/8/2030. To attempt 30, Lordship. It not the petitioner, some other candidate. Yes. The last but from the last but 4 paragraph, in the record of interview of grade 4 post of Tilakmani Osmania SS School held on so and so, it is seen that Shafiqul Islam Sodagar of SMBC president was not in the interview board. Rather, the vice chairman of SMBC headed the interview. From the record of selection, it is seen that the name of read petitioner is at CL number 8 in the select list. As such, his claim for appointment is not justified and tenable. The claim of a read petitioner that Muhammad Shafiul Islam Sodagar of SMTG president was less than 60 years of age when he was nominated as the president of so-and-so is true.
See, you have already selected this Mustaq and this petitioner.
As per the order of this honorable court lordship, his case was directed to be considered. And accordingly, Lordship,
Then you should also frequently provide the same. When you have acted on a select list of other, as per the direction, just because they have not approached the court, how can you deprive them? Any rejection by the rejection of the case of the petitioner? Have you?
problem is Lordship, that order was of 16/8/2024. That of Mustaq Ahmed second post. Now we are on 26, Lordship. So in the meantime,
No, no, this was pending. So many matters, writ petitions were filed. And there's a direction in 2015 to bring it to the logical conclusion.
Post is whether it is vacant.
You have not cancelled that advertisement.
So far record does not speak so, Lordship.
It's a, there is a pendency, so many cases filed, and you have finally decided this matter. 2024.
21, Mustaq Ahmed was appointed, Lordship. 21, in pursuance of the direction of this honorable
Mohammad
court.
Mustaq Ahmed is eligible to be appointed in a second post of grant for so and so, and he is entitled for service benefit from date of joining so and so. Then he is directed to pass an approved order to comply with the procedure then to obtain this. Yes. Second post you have appointed.
So one thing, Lordship, may I propose, Lordship, before Lordship? If Lordship second post has been directed to be filled up and accordingly in compliance of that order, second post has been filled up by appointing that Mustaq Ahmed. Lordship can, if Lordship thinks so, can relegate the matter to the director to take a decision on the claim of the petitioner.
No.
As per law.
Direct-
Add on that, Lordship, I am not in a position where that post is lying vacant or not, and what are the other.
Post is vacant, Lordship.
That submission may be recorded, her submission also.
The first vacant post is not filled up, Lordship, till date.
Heard Mr. Ms.
Be does.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Is that? PP Datta, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel, secondary education department for all the respondents. Election board, principal come member secretary. Who else are appearing? Respond 1, 2, and 3. Please stop. None appears for respondent 4 and 5. Despite service of notice. Notice has been effected. This writ petition has been instituted seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to appoint the petitioner as in first vacant grade 4 post in terms of the selection and recommendation dated 07/11/2012 pursuant to the advertisement. Advertisement is
Page number.
date of advertisement. There is no
Page 17.
Page 17, Lordship.
what is the date of advertisement? Advertisement issued by the principal of the member secretary Alitan Goni Osmania HS School, Nogao.
Twenty 2012.
The petitioner, next para, the case of the petitioner in brief, is that he passed higher secondary higher secondary examination in the year 2012 under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, Gauhati. Mr. Pursuant to the advertisement issued by the principal member secretary, Ali Tangani Higher Secondary School, published in the local newspaper, in a local daily newspaper in the year 2012, inviting applications for eligible candidates for filling up of two posts of grade two numbers of vacant posts of grade 4 in the said school, the petitioner submitted, the petitioner applied for the said post. List of the petitioner along with 23 other candidates participated in the selection process. List of a select list was prepared by the selection board of Alitan Gania Osmani SS School on 07/11/2012, showing the 24 candidates, including the petitioner. List of next period. The selection, in the selection, the petitioner secured 182.75 marks and one MD Mustaq Ahmed secured 81.5 marks. Thus, the petitioner stood first position and the said Muhammad Mustaq Ahmed stood second position as per the merit cum select list. Stuff. Next paragraph. Some persons, including Muhammad Mustaq Ahmed, approached this court, being WPC 5796/2013 and WPC 7288/2015, challenging the election process on the ground that what is challenge? What is that? Last line. Last sentence. Some persons and Mr. Some person and Muhammad Mustaq Ahmed approached this court, huh? The School Management Committee, School Management Development Committee was responsible for initiating and conducting recruitment process, had illegally selected the president of the said committee. He was not a senior citizen under the rules. The writ petition were disposed of on 19/11/2019 Mr. This court has held that proceeding of the selection committee for appointment of two great posts cannot be said to be vitiated merely because the president of the school management and development committee was illegally appointed as he did not take part in the said recruitment process and the proceeding of the committee. That about no other issue has been raised to indicate any irregularity of the proceedings of the said committee in recommending the persons for appointment to the grade 4 post in the said school. Thereby directing the responsible authorities to bring its logical conclusion, logical end by passing appropriate ordinance in the appropriate orders. And the same would be completed. Same shall be completed within a period of 2 months. List of next para. After there is after series of litigations, including the writ proceedings and consequential contempt petition, the one Muhammad Mustaq Ahmed, ne? Mustaq Ahmed. Mustaq Ahmed has been appointed the second post of grade 4 as he stood second position in the merit list. List of expert. It is the contention of the petitioner. It is the contention of the land council board with petitioner MS so and so that the selection and recommendation having been made after due selection process pursuant to the advertisement issued by the competent authority. And this court has already directed to bring the selection process to its logical conclusion. Non-appointment of not appointing the petitioner to the post of grade 4 in the first post pursuant to the proper due selection process would be illegal. It would be arbitrary and illegal. Therefore, the responsible authorities may be directed to appoint the petitioner in the first post of grade 4 as he stood number 1 in the select list. List of next para. Mr. P.P. Datta, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, in its usual fairness, submits that there is no dispute as regards the selection process and the selection process as as the same was carried out in accordance with the law. The same was carried out pursuant to the advertisement for filling up of 2 vacant posts of grade 4 list of. It is also not in dispute, and it is also not in dispute that the petitioner was selected to the first post of grade 4 post, along with one MD Mubarak. What this? Ahmed. What did Ahmed? Mustaq Ahmed. Mustaq Ahmed in the second post of grade 4. The stuff. The appointment of MD Mustaq Ahmed is pursuant to the order of this court. Passed in WPC what? 57963 or what? In pursuant to the order of this court.
16.
List of. However, he submits that since the advertisement and the selection process was of 2012, the writ petition suffers from delay and laches, as the petitioner did not approach this court within a reasonable time, but only in the year 2024. List of. He submits that petitioner, being a pen-sitter, is not entitled for any relief, although he was selected.
For selection. Recommended for selection.
Selected and recommended for the post of grade 4, pursuant to the selection process. List of. As a fence-sitter, you are saying delay legislation. Next para. I've considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties, and also here is the materials on record. Materials available on record. Pursuant to the advertisement issued by the principal cum member secretary, Alitan Goni Osmania SS School, Nagaon, the petitioner was selected selected along with one MD Mustaq Ahmed, who stood first in the selection list, having been secured 82.75%, 75 marks. List of. The name of the petitioner, along with one MD Mustaq Ahmed, was recommended for appointment to the post of grade 4. In the meantime, some petitioners, along with some petitioner and MD Mustaq Ahmed, has filed the writ petitions assailing the selection and appointment, selection of the grade 4, selection of the And then the selection process for appointment to the post of grade 4 in the so and so school, same school, Alitanga school, so and so. You just take that. List of after series of after several learns after series of list of discord on 19 by an order dated 2019 in WPC 5796 of 2013 within bracket MD Mustaq Ahmad bracket close and WPC 7288 of 2015. As held that proceeding of the selection committee for appointment of 2 grade 4 posts cannot be said to be vitiated merely because the president of the school management and development committee was illegally appointed as he did not take part in the said recruitment process and the proceedings of the committee. This court, having found that no other issue has been raised to indicate any irregularity in the proceeding of the said committee in recommending the persons for appointment to grade 4 post in the said school. Accordingly, the respondent authorities were directed to consider the recommendation made by School Management Committee and Management and Development Committee of Ali Tan Goni Osmania SEC School and pass appropriate orders for appointment to 2 grade 4 posts for which the recruitment process has been initiated. In other words, the recruitment process initiated by the school in the year 2012 be brought to its logical end by passing appropriate orders. List of thereafter. MD Mustaq Ahmed filed another writ petition, WPC 4270 of 2022. Which was disposed of on 24/08/2022. Directing the petitioner to file a fresh representation before the authority and the authorities were directed to pass a revision order taking into consideration of the order dated 19/11/2019. Yes, sir. Again, they said MD Mustaq Ahmed while another the third writ petition being WPC 1676 of 2024. Huh?
Page 42.
Whereby this court has directed And whenever this court has remanded the matter back to the Director of School Secondary Education, Assam, to consider the case of the, to consider the case and pass appropriate orders for appointment against the two vacant grade 4 posts available in the said school, and thereby bring in the recruitment process as initiated in the year 2012 to its logical conclusion. Mr. Person thereto, MD Mustaq Ahmed has been appointed as grade 4 in the grade 4, one of the grade 4 posts by an order dated 25/09/2024 by the Inspector of School and NDC Noga. List of next para. Upon consideration of the matter in its entirety, comma, it is seen that it is noticed that no, please stop. Upon consideration of the matter in its entirety, no, having considered that the petitioner, the selection and recommendation, selection and the recommendation pursuant to the advertisement in the year 2012 having been not cancelled, and considering that the other position, namely MD Mustaq Ahmed, have been appointed to one of the two vacant grade 4 posts in the said school. Of course, pursuant to the direction of this court, comma, I'm of the considered view that the selection process having not been cancelled and allowed to alive, and the as well as the direction in pursuant to the order of this court in the various in the above writ petitions, the petitioner would also be entitled to be appointed in one of the two vacant posts, as his name has been he has been selected and recommended for appointment after due selection process. And who had stood first in the select list, huh? Stuff. The selection process and the selection and recommendation having been allowed to be alive. Although due to litigations, due to various litigations, comma, and the and as a result of the said litigation, as a result of and pursuant to the orders of this court, the one person having been appointed to one of the vacant grade port post pursuant to the said selection process, comma, it would be unfair it would be unfair to consider the petitioner as pen sitter and pen sitter, please, and sitter and pen sitter, huh? And pen sitter, and to close the, I mean, and pen sitter, please, does the petitioner is also deserve to be considered for appointment in terms of the selection and recommendation pursuant to the advertisement for appointment to one of the one of the vacant post of grade port post, he having been selected as selected and stood number one. He stood first in the merit list. Mr. That's all. In view of what has been discussed here in above, huh? I'm of the considered view that the petitioner is entitled to be appointed as grade port post in the so and so school, huh? Osmania ICSE school, so and so. You write all the full name of the school. Mr. Accordingly, the will direct you to appoint directly. What decision? In view of the above, the respondent authorities are directed to consider the petitioner for appointment in one of the two vacant grade port posts in the same in the so and so school, huh? Not appropriate orders. We'll say appointment. Huh? He stood first. You have considered, and it is by this litigation, by other person, it has been made alive, and you have appointed. Mr. The whole exercise for consideration of appointment shall be completed within a period of 1 month. Why 2 months?
Because the election is hearing on the 9th of
April. Result will be on 4th. 45 days from today. 45 days from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. Requisition stands allowed and disposed of. 50 days.